कौतुक का रेंट आता है ना मेरे को, तो मैं उसको थैंक यू बोलता है कि भाई साहब ने दे दिया रेंट।
ये कभी है मार्च का रेंट दिया आज?
ब्रो
कौतुक का इलेक्ट्रिसिटी चला गया, ठीक है,
बीच में यस्टरडे।
हाँ,
तो कौतुक का
इसलिए हम लोगों ने
electricity-
पॉडकास्ट नहीं किया गाइस, वी वर ऑल रेडी, लेकिन फिर कौतुक का इंटरनेट चला
कौतुक का
तो बोला
electricity-
रहने
8
दो।
बजे वापस आप ही
नेविल
गए
ने
थे।
उसका इलेक्ट्रिसिटी काट दिया था बिकॉज रेंट
नहीं
नहीं भरा।
नहीं, तो क्या हुआ क्या पता है क्या? सो द फ्यूज thing had gone off from the meter, so I had to get it fixed and everything. So the electrician has then handed me the blown out fuse. So I said, ये क्यों दे रहे हो? तो he's like, ये आप रेंट पे रहते हो ना, ओनर को दिखाओ, बोलो कि क्या सस्ता काम किया है। तो मैं सीधा नेविल को फोन किया, मैं बोला ये देख सस्ता काम किया है। तो नेविल बोलता है तू 2 महीने का रेंट भर पहले। तो बोला ठीक है, अच्छा ही काम है, छोड़।
2 महीने का रेंट भर पहले, वरना 2 किलोमीटर दूर जाकर रेलवे के पटरी पे।
No, so he called me in panic and he's like, and that electrician, I know him, right? Because he was the electrician there. So he's
Baba,
trying
you're
to-
providing Kautuk with house electricity and electrician.
अरे फूड एडवाइस ये सब है, सब ऐसा अनपेड।
ये रेंट कॉन्ट्रैक्ट देखना पड़ेगा।
अरे नहीं, वो भी नहीं है।
सब लोग अभी एक्स्ट्रा एक्सपेक्ट करेंगे अपने लैंडलॉर्ड से कि अरे वो
Bro-
कौतुक का लैंडलॉर्ड देखो, वो तो इलेक्ट्रिशियन भी प्रोवाइड कर रहा है।
ब्रो कौतुक ने डिपॉजिट भी नहीं दिया था, ठीक है, तो वो रेंट अग्रीमेंट में जब भी हम लोग भर रहे हैं तो उसका शक्ल देखने लायक था कि डिपॉजिट भी नहीं है
हाँ,
रेंट
हाँ।
अग्रीमेंट।
We
किसको
went to
देखा
the
है?
building office, ना, the building office. So he's looking over the thing, okay, and he's like, आपका क्या agreement है exactly?
बट 15,000 तो मिनिमम रखना होता है ना।
नो
नहीं, कौतुक सेक्सुअल फेवर्स में दे रहा है।
वो भी 2 महीना बाद।
2 महीने बाद।
That's where those videos are born.
Hello and welcome to another episode of the Internet Set So, a show where we take random we observe facts, stats, trivia, and opposite stories, and we talk about it. And today's episode is on books. आज का एपिसोड एक दिन लेट आया है, and as we said, the reason was Kautuk's electricity.
एक सेकंड।
I love that.
ठाकुर,
I love
1
that.
second.
We've been saying 99th episode will be books, and then on the Tuesday that we were supposed to drop books,
Supposed to drop
we have not dropped books.
Okay,
Big bhadak
1
gaya hai,
second.
bro.
I just want to
Where's
tell
the
you guys
episode?
this.
Where the fuck is the
that,
episode?
I have been waiting for this episode ever since my literal actual book has come out.
Yeah.
है ना कि एक
और
दिन
मैं
promote
सोचा
करूंगा।
कि you know what happened, so I wrote the book comes out, I'm like okay cool, podcast पे मैं share करूंगा, right? podcast बंद हो गया, फिर 1 साल रुका, फिर podcast वापस आया, फिर 1 और साल रुका।
लेकिन अपन ने बाकी सब एपिसोड में भी सबलिमिनली इसको प्रमोट किया है, मतलब ऐसे टेबल पे रखी है,
एक मिनट,
कितने बार इन योर फेस प्रमोट भी किया है।
Kautuk has done more promotion of his book on 442
Yeah,
than he has when he wasn't on 442. Because when Azim and I just started without Kautuk, हम लोग कौतुक का एक एपिसोड में रखता था, और फिर बिकॉज रेड कार्ड है 2 एपिसोड में नहीं रखता था।
क्योंकि सस्पेंडेड।
Yes, Kautuk, explain it further.
Because
So finally,
you know,
books, मतलब जो पब्लिक बहुत टाइम से पूछ रहे कि बुक्स पे करो, फाइनली एपिसोड आ गया है, तो इसलिए स्टार्ट करेंगे हम
के बारे में बात करें।
हाँ,
चलो।
सिनेब्लिट्स।
चलो,
जब
बाजार
तुमने पहले
magazine,
बार पढ़ा तब
Cosmopolitan,
कैसे? अच्छा, at what age did you guys start properly reading? कौतुक, तेरा
Very
चश्मा
early.
देख के लगता है कि तू 2 महीने से ही चालू कर लिया था।
हाँ, जल्दी से।
Very early.
Yeah, very very early. Like I mean,
Very early.
I used to be read out books first, and then as soon as I could understand it, I used to.
So like
start
4,
reading.
5, 6?
Yeah, 4, 5 is when I started remembering the books I was
Hmm.
reading. So yeah, around that time.
Around.
बाबा तू?
I mean, I as always don't have a memory of exactly when, but it was fairly
Yeah,
early
because
on.
438 BC was quite a long time back.
yeah.
You know what? You know what?
लाइब्रेरी ऑफ अलेक्जेंड्रिया का तेरे पास है ना कार्ड, एक मेंबरशिप कार्ड।
Still not returned.
I am the
रिटर्न
first
किया, एक
member.
2 स्क्रॉल बचा है। अरे यार,
Library
ये
of
मेमोरी का
Alexandria.
स्क्रॉल ही नहीं आता है वहाँ पर।
हाँ,
वो
अरे
डेड
तू?
स्क्रॉल्स मैं ही डाला, जो
Hey,
चोरी मैंने
Baba,
चोरी कर।
you know what happened, right? He checked out a book called 20 Commandments, and then he returned 10 commandments. And that's what we had.
चल यार, इससे काम चलाना पड़ेगा।
मेरा उल्टा हुआ। I think
मेरा-
I started properly reading much later.
With the
Like,
Kindle.
you know how? नहीं, Kindle तो अभी
technology
लिया
का-
bro। No, 2019 में लिया Kindle. उसके पहले Kindle नहीं था. But you know, like my parents would, like they'll always try and inculcate the habit of reading, right, in you.
Yes.
Whether they read themselves or not. My parents used to read quite a bit. तो उन्होंने चालू किया बर्थडे पे बुक सेट लाके देना, राइट? तो पहले आया फेमस 5, सीक्रेट 7, एंड व्हाट आई यूज्ड टू लव द मोस्ट अबाउट द बुक्स एट दैट टाइम वाज दे वुड गेट मी अ फुल सेट. तो सेट देखने में मस्त लगता था. और फिर मैं बोला चल पढ़ता हूँ, और खुल के बैठा ऐसे सो गया 10 मिनट में. मैं बोला नहीं यार ये ना हो पाए हमसे, और मैंने सब वो बॉक्स सेट्स गिफ्ट कर दिए.
But Thakur, you've read a lot of comics, no?
Comics, though, that I started, but like the first proper, if you had to give me a novel to read, was that entire series that I got.
And I never really enjoyed the series that my parents used to give me, like the famous 5 or was it छोटे छोटे होते थे. I never really enjoyed. My first one was Skyfire Puzzle, which was the Hardy Boys, and I found it tremendously boring. I don't know why. I could never continue reading until I started reading. I think, yeah, my legit one was Harry Potter.
क्या बात कर रहा है? Harry Potter.
तू स्टार्ट किया हैरी पॉटर से?
Wow.
I was, and I think I related to it a lot because I got it on my 11th birthday, and it was Harry's 11th birthday in the first book. So that really got me going with the book. So very relatable. And for me, I had to wait a year or 2 between each book. So it was as I went 12, 13, Harry was turning 12, 13. So that is what was happening. I remember Goblet of Fire getting released and being in London and begging my parents, and मेरा बाप 12 पाउंड में नहीं खरीद रहा था. मेरे को बाद में बॉम्बे लाया और ट्रैफिक सिग्नल से गॉबलेट ऑफ फायर खरीदा 300 रुपए में,
जिसमें आधे पन्ने मिसिंग है.
तो आदर has only read the Goblet. Fire है ही नहीं उसका Goblet.
This lacks a lot of Agni.
मजा नहीं आया इस बुक में इतना. क्या लोग बोल रहे हैं अच्छा है, बहुत मस्त है.
ड्रैगन का है, कवर पे ड्रैगन है, बुक में ड्रैगन नहीं है.
But I think my first proper this, right? Sorry, Kautu, before we just get to us saying about reading, because Baba pointed out earlier. So for me, my happiness in reading started coming from comics. So whether it's Asterix and Obelix, you know, like a lot of Tintin.
The Tintins, yeah.
So that, because at that age, that seemed a lot more appealing than seeing a fat book. You know, like, because I wasn't one of those, like, अरे अच्छा नया book आया खुल के पढ़ेगा. मेरे को comics पढ़ने में बहुत मजा आता था, which in retrospect was still fun, but it sort of made me catch on to proper reading much later, which I regret. Like मैं अपने बच्चे को सीधा, तू कितने साल का है? 2 साल का, ये ले पढ़ Lord of the Rings straight. लेकिन मुझे नहीं यार, पढ़ तू
Lord of the Rings.
Bro, Lord of the Rings मैं पढ़ा कब? पूरा नहीं पढ़ा, लेकिन उसका एक बुक कब पढ़ा? पूरा सीरीज देखने के बाद. Because I'm like, अगर इन लोगों ने पिक्चर में ऐसा दिखाया तो बुक में क्या होगा?
Book is outstanding.
So my father took me for the movie. I saw the picture and my sister hated it, and I was like, "This is a great film." I went back and I picked up. I didn't know this was a book. I was very young, and so I started reading it at I think 14 or something. And I'm like, "Wow, J.K. Rowling, काफी like Joanna Rowling, काफी lift की है, like to the point of character names, themes, arcs, and
also
stuff like that.
and stuff like that.
But then
He's
ripped off so much of the ancient mythology, right? Like
Mythology.
Beowulf is there. Like basically
But
the
that's
hero's
what DC
journey
Comics does. DC Comics does a lot of that. Like
No, but
Beowulf
there's
it's
is
that-
archetypical stuff.
There's
like
that-
right now I'm reading I'm hearing the audiobook for it's called Morpheus is a DC character that they've created. It's the Dream Lord, and they've mixed all the DC characters like Arkham Asylum, Joker, this, that within that realm. So they've created a universe within it, and it's a great audiobook to sit down and hear.
Lord
so
of the Rings
that kind of-
references is also in a lot of mythology. It's also
हर बार
based on
के,
a lot
bro.
of-
हर
like,
बार
Dude, he
based on
created
a
his own
lot of,
language.
Yeah.
He created his own language, and
So-
he says Tolkien said it was a torture to write this book because he would type only with 2 fingers. He typed 1200 pages with only his 4 fingers.
Wow.
on the
Yeah,
typewriter.
that must have
Wow.
taken something.
But just imagine, right, writing something like a fantasy. मतलब I'm rewatching for the 5th time Game of Thrones. अभी ठीक है. Now coming to think of it, the amount of characters you have, the storylines you have. One is the physical act of writing, typing, whatever. But before that comes years of just trying to fucking put this thing together. मेरे से एक web series
No,
लिखी
so-
नहीं जा रही, bro.
No, but you know what the
So
story
there's
behind
this-
this was, right?
हाँ,
Story
क्या?
behind the Game of Thrones was that for the longest time, so George R. R. Martin was writing a bunch of stuff, and he kept trying to get some of these things made, right? And every time he would try to get some of his work made, he would keep getting pushback from the studios saying that no, this is too ambitious, we don't have the
won't
money,
happen.
it's not going to translate well, and the stuff that did get made didn't translate well. So what he did was frustrated, angry, upset. He said, I'm going to write a book that these motherfuckers cannot adapt. And that's what he wrote this
Ah.
gigantic wall, these insane characters,
Ah.
complex situation. So he was anticipating it to never be made, because if you think about
And
some
it's
of the key
evident.
plot points,
Hmm.
incest,
Killing the
deaths,
killing the-
main characters die, exactly, all of this
Yeah.
stuff.
और फिर suddenly HBO ने बोला hold my beer.
Yeah, exactly, exactly.
चल वॉल
करने
खड़ा
दे।
कर, ए सरसी जेमी चालू करो, चलो चलो
And-
चलो
तुम
चलो
लोग
You-
तुम
you
लोग
know
पढ़ा
how
के
he-
देखा, were you doing it simultaneously?
I am not a GOT fan, so
मैं पता है मेरा खुजली कब आया, 2 सीजन देखा, ठीक है, एंड इट
हाँ।
आई हैड नॉट रेड द बुक्स, आई स्टिल हैवंट रेड
Right.
ऑल द बुक्स, लेकिन अंदर से कुछ तो हो रहा है कि यार 3rd सीजन के लिए रुकना नहीं है, देखना है देखना है देखना है,
मैं
जाके
बेशर्मी
3rd
कर
बुक
गया।
पढ़ा।
Hmm.
हाँ
मेरे पास भी है, मैं तीसरा बुक तक पढ़ा है, लेकिन
I
मैं
did
fan
not
नहीं।
see an episode of Game of Thrones before I went through all of this.
Yeah, but that
I had
so
not seen one
the
episode.
thing about fantasy and we should delve into the various genres that sort of exist and things like that. But like the thing about fantasy, I think most important thing is the rules, right, within the universe that you sort of create, right, for
Right.
a lot of fantasy fiction. जो फॉर एग्जाम्पल हैरी पॉटर में बहुत ऐसा नहीं है। ठीक है, ऐसा हैरी पॉटर में तेरे को जो मर्जी आए कभी भी हो सकता है, मतलब मैं हाथ
The rules are, now that I look at it, there are a lot of blogs that are dedicated to this, of the pointing
No,
out
it's not.
all the
It's-
glaring potholes in Harry
and it's
Potter.
not just that,
Plot
but I
holes.
think that also works in its favor in some way, which is to say this is a universe where anything happens. Now,
Yeah.
No.
but I don't know, there is something
No,
that
so
that
dude,
it's
there
not
is a
complete
there is a
for me.
guy. This is one of the best things I've found about this. And in case you're into sci-fi or magic or any of these sort of like those subgenres, then check this out. There's a guy called Brandon Sanderson. Okay, he's a sci-fi and fantasy writer, and he has come up with, which I think is a very neat idea. He's come up with Sanderson's 3 laws of magic. Okay, so he says
Okay.
that these 3 laws, much like Newton's laws, can be helpful
Or
to kind of-
Asimov's laws.
yeah, can be helpful to kind of organize your magic storytelling. So basically, he says that the first law is an author's ability to solve conflict with magic is directly proportional to how well the reader understands said magic.
Okay.
Okay. So lay it out properly. Make your reader understand the rules of your thing. The second is weaknesses, limits, and costs are more interesting than powers.
Powers,
So,
yeah.
which is why Superman is always the less interesting character as compared to Batman.
Batman.
One dude has no limitations and the other
Correct.
has all limitations. And number 3 is the author should expand on what is already a part of the magic system before something entirely new is added, as this may otherwise entirely change how the magic system fits into the fictional world.
That's
But
so
that's
fucking
all-
true though, all these
But
things.
it's true,
And-
and if
and-
you see in the structure of GOT, some of these rules are flagrantly like
So,
forgotten.
you know
and
why,
so in,
Baba?
in HP.
Because he has also got a 0 law. The 0 law is always err on the side of what's awesome.
Yeah.
which is
No, so
true.
I was watching this. Neil Gaiman, by the way, is an author that you must
Oh,
absolutely.
epic writer.
ये
man.
इसके बारे में मैंने सबसे ज्यादा सुना है कौतुक से.
Yeah.
Isn't it Gaiman?
Neil
Gaiman,
Gaiman. And he's an
Himself
incredible
Gaiman.
world builder. He's an
Yeah,
incredible
he's
world
incredible when it comes to it. So Neil Gaiman.
उसका बहुत सारा books
Neil
है.
Gaiman has so you know how you have Chuck Norris and Rajnikant jokes? There are Neil Gaiman jokes about like writing. Okay, so it'll be
Like what?
like Neil Gaiman. When Neil Gaiman uses a double negative, it is still a no, like stuff like that, right? Like, so like there are these really amazing like linguistic jokes about Gaiman, but you should listen to his a couple of his podcasts on and a couple of his what's it called, YouTube videos and stuff, interviews on writing for magic realism and stuff like that. Like Ocean at the End of the Lane, small book, not too not too heavy to read, not too difficult to sort of read. But it's such a cute sort of book, right? Like when you sort of read it, it's cute, not cute, but it's really well written. And his rules or his structure of writing and his ability to write, I think he's one of those writers who's flawless, right? I don't think he makes writing mistakes when he sort of creates a world and he creates a
He's
universe
also
to.
a rare one of those rare few people who has succeeded across genre. So
Yeah.
he's got one of the most definitive comic books. Like, you know, you rank this alongside Watchmen and stuff like that. It's called The Sandman. So if you haven't
Sandman.
read that, please.
Oh, that's what I was
check it.
talking about.
Yeah.
Sorry, I made a mistake. Sandman is what I'm hearing right now.
Sandman
It's a
is
fantastic-
the fictional character who gets you to sleep. That one.
correct. The fictional
Yeah,
character, but it's based in the DC universe. So the audio book is fantastic. It's like
Yeah, it's
listening
narrated
to
by
theater.
Neil Gaiman.
It's,
I think.
No,
probably.
it's Riz Ahmed, and a host of other British actors, and sound effects, and it's like theater. You're
Must-
hearing theater.
So
It's fantastic.
there is also a legend called Terry Pratchett, right? And Pratchett also has done some. Pratchett has also done some really great like fantasy.
He's done funny fantasy. So the
Yeah.
Discworld series is
Discworld
comedy
series.
meets
Shit, sick.
fantasy.
Correct.
It's damn good.
That-
like-
it's sorry,
Like,
carry
what
on,
would a
sorry.
policeman's life in a fantasy world be like? And then he writes a book about that. So,
I want to read the description of what the Discworld is, okay? So if you, it's just as bizarre as this, okay? So there is a thing called the Discworld, okay, in which there is a series of books written. There is a justification for what the Discworld is. I'm just trying to find the exact wording for it. Description. Sorry, apologies. It's too funny. That's why. Okay. So it's a flat planet balanced on the backs of 4 elephants, which in turn stand on the back of a giant turtle. Okay, so that is the Discworld, and the stories take place there. So it's and Pratchett and Gaiman have done a book together called Good Omens.
Yeah.
Right, which is also, I think, a show.
check the
It's been
series
made
out,
in-
dude. It's on Amazon Prime. It's damn good.
Yeah, I
And
think
season
Nikita was
2 is
watching
coming.
it.
Yeah.
So, but read the book.
Hey,
But
to-
read the
Baba,
book.
have you heard of one of the best things I heard from Neil Gaiman, apart from all his books and all of that? एक उसने एक चीज बोला, he was giving a lecture, okay, to some students and things like that, and he's like, okay, I'm going to tell you something damn important, okay, as you know, you're going to go out in the world, having learned literature, so I have to tell you this. It's called the golden triangle of freelancers.
Hmm.
Okay, so he says freelancer में 3 चीज है. Okay, you have to be good at your job, you have to deliver on time, and you have to be a good person. Those are the 3 golden things. The good news is you need only 2 of those. So if you're good at your job and you deliver on time, then people are like, ठीक है, he's not the best guy to work with, but चलता है. Okay, if you're a really good person and you deliver on time, तो public will like, ठीक है यार, उतना खास काम नहीं है, but चलता है. And the third variation. So, and dude, it's so fucking true. So fucking true. Every time I have to skip on a deadline, I'm a nice guy.
Yeah.
Yeah.
लेकिन but like what has been your favorite genre to read? Now अभी तुम लोग इतना पढ़ते हो, what has been your top genre that is your go-to genre of if you're
Fantasy
reading?
fiction. Fantasy fiction.
But for
Yeah,
me,
there
it's
has always
changed.
been fantasy.
Yeah, but for me, I think it's changed over the years considerably, dude. Like
Yeah.
I've
I
gone
detest
from
self-help books. I detest any form of
Yeah,
self-help
but the
books.
self-help books are made so that you have something to keep on your coffee table. मेरे घर पे
Yeah.
शिव खेरा का
Yeah,
बुक
yeah.
10 साल के लिए था, ना मैंने पढ़ा, ना मेरे बाबा अपने, ना मेरे भाई ने, लेकिन
No,
वो
so-
पढ़ी थी उधर. लोग आते
Even
थे,
in the-
उठाते थे, देखते थे, रख देते थे.
Bro, that book
Paper
was
था
called
वो.
You Can Win, and the only guy who won
हाँ.
was Shiv Khera, literally.
हाँ.
Yeah.
Nobody else won.
और
So-
उसका ऐसा रहा, correct.
Dude,
No,
I
no,
have
so-
attended a live talk of his, which is just hilarious. At 8, I was, I think, 19 or 20. I was doing some corporate conference. Like I was handling this on the event management side, and he's giving the talk, and after a while I'm like, यार ये लोग 50 साल के आदमी है, इनको पता है ये सब, like I know this in college.
But that's
Why are these
that's
guys
the
paying him so much money
so
to
here's the
reiterate
thing
that?
about the category of self-help also. Even I'm not a fan of self-help. I don't read a lot of self-help,
Self-help.
etc. Self-help.
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 So I don't read a lot of it. But if you think about who's the guy who wrote Blink?
Malcolm Gladwell.
182.
Gladwell, right? So Gladwell Blink, right? You can consider it and put it in the self-help category, correct? If you look at The Art of Not Giving a Fuck, which is current, which is technically a
Would that be self-help though?
Yeah, it's
It is.
got stories.
It is,
I
right,
couldn't
in
read
some
more
way.
than 2 chapters.
That's
of
what
it.
I'm
is.
coming to. There's also a guy called Jay Shetty, right, who writes a lot of like thing. And the thing about
Who writes a lot of stuff that other people have written.
Yeah. correct. But I think the reason why they have become whatever, like I don't read a lot of Jay Shetty. I don't read Jonathan Livingston Seagull and
ए
Monk
उस
who
बुक पे
sold
कुछ नहीं बोलने.
please.
अभी
Oh
बोल
God,
वुडहाउस भी नहीं
please.
पढ़ता है तू.
नहीं ये नहीं ऐसे नहीं बोलेगा.
हाँ इस
नहीं,
बात पे नहीं
नहीं,
बोलेगा.
इस बात पे नहीं बोलेगा.
बोलने का नहीं, छेड़ने का नहीं इस पे.
So I think the category of self-help has developed more into allowing giving you like things of acceptability, like it's normal to do this and it's okay to do this and it's finer to do this, as opposed to it being one like winding story which leads into
chicken soup for the soul पढ़ा है कि नहीं?
Yeah, of course.
Short
मैंने
stories
नहीं
used to
Time
be
pass
fun.
है.
They were a little
हाँ.
fun. Yeah, they were
Time
toilet
pass
readers
है.
for some reason.
Dude, can I
Yeah.
tell you, like, I've been thinking a lot about self-help, and the crazy thing about it is the best thing that you can say about it is that at one point in time, the original why is the word so
Why
difficult?
are you not able to say self-help? Like
So the
Self-led.
original self-help was philosophy, right? Because philosophy was how do you live
Correct.
a good life, right?
Hmm.
That was the
Right.
whole point of it. So
Stoicism.
and what's happened is now it's come down to this watered down idea of just narrow success, right? It's not even about
and I was and the thing is what these guys, so like people like Jay Shetty etc. sometimes tend to do is that they are, to quote a Sorkin quote, they're not reaching for everything. They're just trying to get the McNuggets and the TLDR versions of this and succinctly put it into
Yeah.
into bite-sized
क्योंकि
pieces of
Because-
my
words,
easily
right?
palatable stuff, na? Like so it's
Yeah,
not too
yeah,
like
yeah.
Bro.
complicated to understand.
and
See,
the thing is
the
you can
only one
never
I read
lose.
recently was Ikigai. Ikigai was an interesting book because it gives you access to a lot of other forms that I've already explored. Like you're
It
talking
gives
about
you
yoga, you're
access
talking
to
about
other
more-
people who've read Ikigai. That's what it does.
No, there's
Yeah.
also there's
Gives you
Ikigai,
that
there's the
access.
whole Marie Kondo universe, there's all of that, right?
Yeah, that is a lot.
but- so the
No, but
there
sorry,
is a
just,
I forgot.
एक
there is
second.
a- sorry,
Sorry,
continue.
Neville. I just want to let Adar finish what he was saying before joke happened.
So Ikigai basically is talking about stuff like Qigong. It's talking about yoga. It goes into that space and it goes into a lot of short snippets. I find Ikigai must have been a tedious read, but the audio book is really interesting to listen to if you're in a taxi ride or something like that, because it's giving you a lot of legit stuff about how because it's concentrated about Japanese and how the Japanese end up living longer, happier lives because they continue doing the work. It's not about retiring at any point. You just go from different job profiles, and that is essentially what it is. So it's a
this
very
is
interesting read.
so there is a hack to sort of do this, right? What basically Jay Shetty and all are doing is, I don't know if you know this app called Blinkist.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
So Blinkist basically gives
Lets you go through the whole book in about
It
one page or like 6 pages.
Hey,
Yeah.
Baba, sorry, I just want to just one other thing about this Blinkist thing. Okay, so there's a guy called Nassim Nicholas Taleb. Okay, he's written the book Black Swan, Anti-Fragile, all of these great books. Okay, check them out. तो इसको पूछा कि what do you think of your books being on Blinkist? He's like, if I wanted to do that, I would have done that. I wrote a book. That's the shortest version of the stuff I wanted to say.
So what most of these guys are doing, like what Kautuk is saying, like the OG bit of it is is the Euripides and like the great falsafas
Aristotle,
And
and
Homer's
and
Odyssey.
Aristotle.
Nietzsche, Aristotle.
So if you look at those guys, what these guys are doing is literally taking those like concise moments and either philosophizing it even more or putting a existential question at the end of it,
No.
or
Just trying
giving
to
you
put
like
it into 21st century. They're trying to flip it.
but not even not even
Yeah, it's not done right.
it's not the zoo. It's just like here is
No, but
the
You know, but
back
that
page.
that being said, I'll find out the name from Nikita what book it was. Okay, so she had slip disc, say 5 years ago, and this was her second slip disc.
Oh
So
shit.
she is in recovery, दवाई ले रहा है, जो भी traction वैक्सीन चालू है, physio किया, but she was still weak. Then she read this one book. I'm going to find out the name and write it in the comments right now. She's inside, and trust me, something just flipped in her, and she said after that book, all her pain just went away. Right? It's
David
not
Goggins.
magic. I forget what it's called. Babe, what is that book you read? For your back.
subconscious mind रहेगा देख
No,
subconscious
I don't know
mind.
what it was, but she swears by it to a point where now, if there is any other person we know who's got a physically
gives that book.
debilitating problem, she will always recommend that book. And people are not going to do it for the heck of it, right? Like, there has to be something fundamentally that it helped you change, understand, solve, which is why you would go ahead and recommend it. And she swears by it. मैं नाम पता करके बताता हूँ.
You know,
So,
the beauty of the self-help industry is literally this. Okay, what you just said is the beauty of the self-help industry, which is that they can't lose. Because here's what's happening. People are gravitating towards the self-help industry at their most vulnerable point in
Yes.
their life. Now the book offers you a solution. If the solution works, then the book gets credit. If the
If the
solution doesn't work, then
I
you
was
fucked
already
up.
in a shit place.
You screwed up.
Like I was already in a shit place, right?
So it's a beautiful place to be as a writer. If you write self-help, it's a super place.
you know, but I
Can't
feel
lose.
like books also, in a way, offer self-help not by them just being self-help books, but as a means to an escape where you just
Yeah.
want, like you can read a crime thriller and that can also act as self-help. You know what I mean?
Yeah,
like,
yeah.
where
Yeah.
not
I
to
can
go kill
attest.
somebody,
I
not
can
to go
attest
kill
to
somebody, but
James Hadley Chase कौन पढ़ता था? James Hadley Chase.
James Hadley
हाँ,
Chase, Jeffrey Archer, Sidney Sheldon, bro, ये सब पहले तो काफी पढ़े.
Bro, ये
Sidney
भी-
Sheldon तो बहुत पढ़े.
ये भी एक,
मेरे-
have you realized there's one paradox that happens with crime fiction. Some of the best crime fiction comes from the Scandinavian countries who have the least crime rate.
Yeah.
So it's
Yeah.
almost, you get it? Like it's
Yeah.
almost the opposite. Like
Correct,
people
correct.
want what they can't have.
Correct.
By the way, Iceland has the highest like it's the most read country in the world.
Most red country?
It's the highest read country. Like everybody reads the high. Like Iceland
Wow,
is
why
the
can't
most
you
read.
set a sentence?
The most
other-
well-read.
Yeah, उन
It's
लोग
the
के पास
most well-read country. in the
उनके
world.
पास दो ऑप्शन है, बाहर जाके ठंडी में सिकड़ो या फिर अंदर बैठ के बुक पढ़ो. दो ही
पढ़ो.
ऑप्शन है. तो नहीं
तो
भाई,
most
मैं सिकुड़ के
well-read
थक गया हूँ, मैं भी जाके थोड़ा बुक पढ़ता हूँ फायर प्लेस के बाद.
So
Sorry,
No,
Baba,
no.
क्या बोल रहा है?
So no, nothing. Like it's a plug, and it's a plug that it's one of the few plugs that I'm sort of proud of.
Cool, thanks,
If
Baba.
you go, if you go
Appreciate
to
it.
my, if you go to my Instagram handle, on my Instagram handle in my highlights, there's a World Book Day. There's a World Book Day highlight.
You could have just
which-
said red card.
No,
Why are you
which
saying
takes
words?
you through, which takes you through like pretty much right from Aristotle etc. Like all the classics and stuff like that, and takes you through it. Uske andar, Varun, just what you were saying, right? Like books are self-help. There was a small bit that sort of I had written in terms of why these books are what they mean to me, right? So it was about just saying that the books are my favorite. These books are my favorite books because of a lot of reasons, right? Like the time I read them, what I was going through, what they did to me, how they helped me. Because books have a magical way of becoming parents in the absence of parents, of becoming lovers in the absence of love, of becoming companions in the absence of friends, right? Because reading is love, romance, chase, sex, comfort, companionship, right? Like that's, so it is self-help in the sense of where you are in your life at that point, and therefore it is doing something for you at that point, right?
Right.
Yeah.
Correct.
So
Yeah.
a story does that for you as well, right? So yeah, just check out my World Book Day highlights. I
Is your
genuinely will.
highlights? Is your highlights cover picture you having sex with a book? Because
No,
Yeah.
no, it's really not. It just says World Book Day.
then there's a picture of him
whole-
hugging a book.
Randomly,
No,
एक
no. Then
Shawshank
touching the book-
Redemption जैसा एक
book
खड्डा बना
space.
हुआ
No
book के
picture.
अंदर, just the right size.
is-
Then
This
like
weird
Baba in a
American
book.
pie.
literally started with Aristotle's Poetics, by the way. From there I've started and then gone to Sophocles.
Arey, why didn't you
Oh,
start with the
God.
Epic of Gilgamesh? Bah.
Yeah.
What is this, bah? So no, but this question you were asking, right, Thakur, about what is your favorite genre? And like the crazy thing, I think if you read, like, I think readers go through phases. I think that's the
Yeah.
right answer. That you have like and like, for example, like what I went through this crazy like up and down thing about, I used to be a big time fiction person, and then for a long time I became a non-fiction person because I felt like non-fiction was telling you more of the truth of the world. And then you come to the realization that there are some truths that are so nuanced or difficult to convey that the only way to do it is through fiction.
Is through fiction.
So
Yeah.
then you make this whole
There's
circle back.
also like
And then you
there's
put
also-
all of this aside and you open Playboy. कि हाँ,
ये best है. This is the best. ये सही
April issue is
reality
saying
है.
the truth. ये
and
real
then
है.
there's,
ये
and
real
then
है.
there-
Plastic
there's
surgery
also-
करानी पड़ी to save her job. She had to do it.
there's historical fiction and then there's like magic historical really like alternate history and all of that you sort of go through.
Alternate mythology भी आ रहा है, लेकिन जैसे मैंने वो वाला पढ़ा Immortals of Malua. ठीक है,
Oh,
अमिश
yeah,
त्रिपाठी
yeah,
का.
how's that?
तो अरे उसमें भी bro, so they've taken your actual mythology वाले name, but it is not true to mythology. थोड़ा उसने पूरा change करके किया हुआ है उसमें.
No, but I'm saying that's the
like-
reason why, which is why probably the Mahabharata is one of the best told stories of all time, right? It's just
Because
how you
every
can,
combination of every relationship
and
exists in
it's
the Mahabharata.
literally it's not just relationships, it's every plot point, it's every
Yes.
It's
It's all
there
of
is surprise.
37, all Shakespeare's 37 plays and the Mahabharata. They're literally, they contain,
So
it's a self-contained
it's
book.
excellent because you look at a movie like Kali Yuga, which is subtly based on the Mahabharata. You look at
Or
a
Hum
book
Saath
like,
Saath Hai, which is based on the
Hum Saath
Ramayana.
Saath. Yeah.
or you
Adar and
look
I have
at,
realized.
or you read what's it called, or you read this Shashi Tharoor's book, the Great Indian Novel, right? That's also is it Great Indian Novel only?
Yeah, Great
it
Indian
is.
Novel.
Yeah, Great Indian Novel.
Novel.
That's also
To
got
read
like
Shashi Tharoor's book, you need another book that explains all the words Shashi Tharoor
It's
is
called
using.
a
Called a
dictionary.
thesaurus.
A thesaurus, Adar.
a thesaurus.
Yeah, you
will
take a
just-
thesaurus because you want the word that you can just, इसका अच्छा ये बोल रहा था.
अबे वो
a thesaurus
thesaurus-
is more useful.
वो उसमें भी नहीं है वर्ड जो शशि थरूर यूज कर रहे हैं, ठीक है, इसलिए मैंने एक सेपरेट बुक बोला जो शशि ने लिखी है. If you want to understand this book, read this book that I've written.
You know,
100 commonly used words by Shashi
By
Tharoor.
Shashi Tharoor.
there is a thing that Siddhi does, which I find very interesting, is that so she loves the Mahabharata, loves it. It's her favorite story. So what she does is every year, and because the Mahabharata is such a malleable story, and so many people have written variations of it, what she does is every year she finds a new book that has done a take on the Mahabharata, and she reads it
Okay.
every year. So this year we found a book. It's called The Dharma Forest. It's by Kirtik Sasidharan, and it's a very good book. It's a very good book. So, and it's a trilogy. The first part is out. I think Dharma Forest is the first one. So check it out. It's a
The second one is YRF Forest.
third one is
The third
Arya
one is
Forest.
Excel.
By
Excel
the way,
Forest.
तो अभी बुक्स की बात करें तो एक दो फैक्ट्स तो बोलेंगे बिकॉज बुक्स है इतने सालों से. As of 2010, how many books are in circulation?
Varun segue, dude.
12
Varun
million, 120 million books.
129. 100. अबे this is as of 2010. अभी recent book census हुआ नहीं है शायद, लेकिन 129 million books.
एक आदमी लाइब्रेरी में खड़ा है
हाँ.
जनगणमन.
It's
हाँ,
not
तो कितना?
129 million books in circulation must be in a particular country. It's not possible that then.
Published 129 million,
They are books, not the number of books.
880 million
Titles.
books have been published as of 2010. ये कौन गिना है उसको लेके आओ
I
मेरे पास,
doubt
मेरे को
it.
नहीं मालूम.
These are
Really
titles.
don't
I think
think
these
it's
are
right.
titles. These might be novels or titles.
No, but it must be in publication. A lot of them, like a lot of books have been written which are not in publication. Like it's
Yeah.
Yeah.
right out
Okay.
there.
Like this one. What is the most expensive book ever purchased and
The
how
Codex,
much? चल पैसा?
Codex Leicester.
Yeah. कितने का था?
ये बिल गेट्स ने खरीदा था ना?
चार
Bill Gates ने
Bitcoin.
खरीदा था
हाँ.
1994 में.
होगा
So there
कुछ
is a value attached to the book that
Hey,
is become
10
inflation.
10-15 मिलियन होगा, 20 मिलियन.
30 million.
30 million ना.
Others-
30.8 million, and now that value would be 53 million. Huh.
Sorry,
Fucking
is this book what you're talking about? Are these the notebooks of
Yes,
Da Vinci?
it
Are
is.
these the-
Yes, it
Yeah,
is the
yeah,
Codex.
yeah.
These are Da
It's the
Vinci's.
Codex. Yeah, it's the
Bro,
Codex.
fuck.
Kodak Lester.
Can I tell you something?
Codex
So
Lester.
Da Vinci, dude, also one of my favorite people in history. What a
Yeah.
all-round crazy
This-
person, right?
The fact, yeah, it's unfathomable the
Dude.
amount of thinking this guy got done.
No, and this guy is the personification of curiosity. Like if you had to put like name,
किधर भी मैं सब करूंगा. मैं
Yeah.
engineering में देखूंगा, मैं astronomy में देखूंगा.
सब-
But
सब-
Newton was
सब
also
कुछ
like that.
करूंगा.
That's why they say that these guys were part of some secret society, right? They were passing messages, like
Nobody,
information
but
down
that's
to
the
one
thing.
another.
Nobody could believe कि उनके
Right.
generation में कोई इतना curious, इतना genius है. तो ये एक सीक्रेट सोसाइटी एक दूसरे को ही बता रहे, हमको नहीं बता
Yeah.
रहे वाला सीन चल रहा है.
न्यूटन सेलिब्रेट था, न्यूटन
हाँ.
सेक्स नहीं करता था,
In-
इसलिए वो ये सब काम कर पा रहा था. अरिथमेटिक ऐसे ही थोड़ी आता है.
in Russia, Siddhi and I, we went to the Hermitage Museum. It's the Winter Palace. It used to be the Winter Palace of the Tsars, and udhar, now
Yeah.
they've converted it into
In a
an
library,
art gallery.
yeah.
An
Ah.
art gallery. And so
Correct.
at the time, they were showcasing an exhibition, part of which there was one Da Vinci, one original Da Vinci, and it's a drawing. So he's drawn the head of a bear. That's it. Okay, just the head of a bear. And इतना पब्लिक आके देख रहा है, just oh fuck. Da Vinci का पेंसिल जो उसके हाथ में था, उसने ऐसा बनाया है, right? And it's just a
कौतुक
fucking
अंदर-
bear.
कौतुक अंदर गया देखने के
But
लिए
how
बेर
good?
को.
वो लग रहा है
पैसा
बराबर
देके-
बेर.
Must bear, best bear I've seen.
Yeah,
In
मस्त
fact,
bear.
live
खड़े
bears
लेके-
aren't as good as that bear.
कौतुक अर्मिटाज के अंदर गया. कौतुक अर्मिटाज के अंदर गया ये बेर देखने के लिए. यहाँ पैसे का टिकट विकेट खरीद के मैं बाहर खड़े रह के कॉटन कैंडी खरीद कॉटन कैंडी खा रहा हूँ. रुका हूँ कौतुक के लिए.
और ऐसे कॉल इन इंडिया बुड्ढी का बाल.
बुड्ढी का बाल. I refuse to pay the money to enter. Like हाँ ठीक है, ड्राइंग है, फोटो. हम लोग वहाँ पे बाहर गूगल करके सब कुछ देख रहे हैं. हर्मिटाज में अच्छा हाँ ये सब है, ये सब है.
I think the books ka smell, which I'm sure every
Yeah,
single
yeah,
person loves, right? That's, you know what it's called?
Petrichor.
No, that's rains.
It's when you throw a book into mud. That's
No, it's biblosima ya simia. Biblosmia.
Blows me up.
Oh, yes,
Biblosmia.
smell of books.
There is a murder mystery, and Kautuk, I'm extremely surprised that you don't know of this. There is a murder mystery that has been written. It's called Cain's Jawbone.
I haven't heard of this. Fuck, what is this?
So it's this book called Cain's Jawbone has been basically, the whole concept is, it was published first in 1934. It invites the reader to reorder the book's 100 books ka 100 pages. Okay, and as a result there are 32 million possible combinations,
Oh, wow.
and you can solve those murders within them.
Wow.
Right?
Fucking hell, who's
And
written this?
so far just 2 readers have managed to solve the puzzle in the
All
30s.
of it.
One was, and both of them won only 25 pounds for doing it, by the way.
Wow.
And yeah,
Wow.
so while the solution was thought to be lost 3 years ago, there was a solution that was presented and stuff like that. It is called Cain's Jawbone. Super. I haven't even got my hands on
No,
the
this was
What, like
also called-
Goosebumps and all
No.
this
Other, this was
Bandersnatch.
also called my mathematics textbook because
Yeah.
very similar
बढ़
vibes.
फट जाता था.
Can't
You
find
had to keep
solution.
carrying it.
By
Yeah.
the way, do you know the first book to be written on a typewriter with the help of a typewriter?
No, what is it?
Tom Sawyer.
The Bible.
Tom Sawyer.
बाइबल. हाँ, बाइबल. बाइबल एक्चुअली लिखा नहीं था, उन लोगों को ईमेल आया, फिर उन्होंने डाउनलोड किया, फिर प्रिंट
Download
किया.
किया.
हाँ, टाइप नहीं किया
Bro,
था बाइबल.
Oh,
Mark
satellite.
Twain, by the way, dude.
Mark
Mark fucking Twain. What a legend. Another dude. उसका तू अभी भी पढ़ेगा ना. He's one of those, such a sharp comedy writer that comedy is one of the worst. It doesn't age well. Comedy, right? Like it's
Yeah.
so poor.
I
when
know.
it comes
Look
to-
at our
Huckleberry Finn.
stand-up.
yeah, exactly.
Huckleberry
exactly.
Huckleberry Finn. Now that you look at it, the rampant use of the N-word has been like it's been in the news.
but
for
it's
like,
not.
that's-
It's
yeah.
not because it's
It's
funny.
dialogue.
That's
Yeah,
But
it's
he's
not supposed to be
sympathetic.
funny. He's just stating what is happening. You can't look at Django in a random scene from Django Unchained and say that this is what Quentin Tarantino stands
but I don't. That's not what Kautuk's point is, right?
No,
Kautuk's
so
point with
he-
Twain, Woodhouse.
Dude, you know what has happened? So I'll tell you
Woodhouse.
about Twain. Okay, he's written a book. Fuck, I forget what it is. A Yankee in King Arthur's court. Okay, that's the book. And here's how he's ended the book. Okay, it is so meta. He's just been like, so now the girl and the guy have met. I don't know where to take the story, so I'm ending it.
This is like a Monty Python sketch.
No fucks.
And
This is
scene.
like the improv police in Monty Python.
Bro,
Like,
he
बहुत
is.
improv हो गया, now the
अरे,
improv police has shown up.
वो comedy करता था. So Mark Twain was a stand, like he used to do, they used to call it lectures, but essentially it was his stand-up tour. So he used to go to colleges and places like that, and he's touring, right? And one of his things used to be, this is such a modern day thing that you would do, right? He used to go onto the stage, and then he would just stand and look at the audience, right? And then
Michael Jackson
you're
भी
expecting him to say something, and he doesn't. A minute goes by, suddenly people start laughing, just because वो बस देख रहा है तेरे को एक-एक करके.
They're
And
laughing
he's-
out of expectation.
expectation. He's violating an
this
expectation.
is clowning. This is
Clowning.
I think this Steve Martin also said this in his autobiography.
Steve Martin used to do very similar things. Yeah.
Yeah, he
Born
used to do
standing
a
up.
lot of similar things. Yeah, born standing up. So he used to state these things. Just be quiet for a bit. The audience, that laughter
They
is
make the
like
joke
it
in their head.
Yeah.
yeah, and the
No,
laughter
it's
travels,
also
right?
it's
If
also
you pay
got to
attention
do with
the
the
laughter.
it's also got to do with the oddity of it, right? The awkwardness of it. It's the discomfort that is being like dissipated by
the
laughter.
balloon philosophy.
The balloon
yeah, so he's
philosophy,
right.
Tension.
Basically, I'm filling a balloon, and what the comedian is doing is he's filling a balloon with the premise,
Expectation.
and he's letting the air out. That's your laughter. So Steve Martin's logic was, okay, if I keep filling the balloon and don't let the air out, after a while everything becomes funny.
Yeah.
Yeah, you look at any opening by George Carlin, आके बात करेगा
Hmm.
5 मिनट और पब्लिक ऐसे ही बैठा है 10 मिनट
लेकिन
और
kill कर रहा है.
हार्ड सीन हार्ड ट्रूथ बॉम्ब्स ड्रॉप कर रहा है एंड देन सडनली लास्ट एक जोक आएगा जो इतना फनी होगा that your pent up 10-minute laughter just you vomit it out
Explodes. Yeah.
and then it's just laughter for like 5 minutes and you're like चलना अगला जोक बोल नहीं ये हंस रहा है पब्लिक अभी तक
But did you notice Carlin never like riffed around on stage? Like Carlin had very
he had a-
precise,
Carlin is a-
specific use of
अरे
words.
he's a writer. dude.
Writer,
I mean,
Like
exactly.
एक word इधर उधर नहीं होता था उसका.
हाँ हाँ.
By the way, तुम
By the way,
लोग हॉरर बुक्स कौन सा अच्छा लगता है हाँ?
So
मेरे को एक स्टार्ट किया था मैंने आई एम नॉट रेड टू मेनी हॉरर बुक्स बट माय इंट्रो टू इट वाज आर.एल. स्टाइन्स गूज़बम्प्स
Hmm.
Oh yeah.
व्हिच आई यूज्ड टू रीड आई यूज्ड टू लव रीडिंग दोस क्या
The
टाइम
only
पास थे
Multiple endings में बहुत मजा आता था मेरे को.
हाँ
the
You
only
want to go
reason
down the
I have
passageway, go to page 53.
Yeah,
You don't want to
yeah,
go down the passageway, go to 32.
yeah
this to me the only reason I read horror was because you have to read Stephen King, right? Like
Of course.
I've read it, okay, and what is that? Every time I call it Christine, and then Kautuk reminds me it's not Christine, which is the car book by Stephen King, the novella.
I think you're right about this time. I think it is.
Is it
Christine.
Christine? It is
Yes.
Christine. I got it right. Okay.
Yeah.
So so when I read that ना bro उसमें कुछ नहीं है. The way he's basically ना गाड़ी का लाइट अपने आप ऑन होता है. ये है bro the way he has scared me because that गाड़ी का
वो
लाइट
गाड़ी
अपने आप on
follow
होता है.
करते हैं.
You know what Bawa gets wrong. So there are two books Stephen King's written. One is about the car, and the other is about a demon dog. That book is called Cujo.
Cujo.
Bawa gets like he just goes like, so Cujo's about the car. And in
No,
that it's like-
I've said Christine only always.
This
Christine
time you
about
said
the dog.
Christine. This time you said Christine.
By the way,
So-
I'm one of the
no
few people
even
who hasn't
Shawshank
seen-
Redemption is based off a short story by him
It's a novella. Yeah.
Yeah.
But if you read it, right? If you read also, if you get your hands on
It is very nice.
how to write. No, what by Stephen King? How
On
to
writing.
write.
It's called On Writing.
Stephen
The book is
King on
called On
writing.
Writing.
Yeah, on writing. Just try and do it. But dude, that book is so well written, and the thing is because मेरा फटता है ना, तो मैं ऐसा सुबह डे लाइट में पढ़ता था और फिर रात को सोने से पहले पीजी वुड हाउस पढ़ता था, ठीक है, बिकॉज I wouldn't be able to do Stephen King.
और सुबह 6 बजे हरिवंश राय बच्चन because why the fuck not
I'm one of the few people who's not seen Stanley Kubrick's Shining. and I
Oh,
started
I wanna
talk
reading
about
The Shining.
I want to talk
I,
about this.
I wanted to read the book. I held on for 4 seasons of Game of Thrones. So I started reading the book. It started creeping under my skin too much after the first 4 5 chapters. I put Shining down out of fear. I
Can I
don't
tell you
want to read
something?
more of it.
Can I tell you
I'm
something
scared.
though? Shining is one of the few books, and I don't like saying it, but it's one of the few books where I genuinely feel like the movie is
It was
better.
better. Yeah.
And
A
I say
lot
this,
of my book lover friends have said the exact same thing about Shining.
and I'll tell you like
Yeah,
there's
and this
there's a
guy
couple
hated
of
the movie. Stephen King hated the movie.
so एक बहुत sort of like one very overt thing that I can point out. There were a couple of reasons which I now forget, but the main thing that I do remember is this: in the book, at the end of the book, right? You see what the horror was. Okay, he explains it to you, like a thing rises out of the building, and you see
Oh.
what the fuck it was. What Stanley Kubrick realized about horror, which is the truly scary part, is that
Is that you
if
don't
you
show
do
it.
not identify what
Yeah, don't show it.
it is far scarier.
Yeah, it is.
Yeah.
It, dude, it's the Spielberg trick in Jaws, no?
Yeah.
Yeah,
The
you
reason.
didn't see the shark. You only
Yeah.
saw the fin for the
Yeah.
most part, and it was just fin
Oh.
dragged along with barrels with
And
the rope
that
stuck to
sound.
the boat, and
And
then
the sound.
Dude.
dug. So audience knows ये होने वाला है अभी, और they make the whole thing up in their head,
Yeah.
and which is infinitely scarier for sure.
Or like
Hmm.
even for example in like so they make this mistake with modern horror movies where they try to make a cinematic universe or whatever the fuck, like The Conjuring, right? So they had this
More
nun
recently,
character.
the Fear Street. Fear Street was quite
Nahin, but I'll
interesting
tell
as
you
a
like the
I watched
specific
the
example I have
I have
is
not seen any of this, but the
Conjuring-
way Kautuk with the disdain he has said, like the
Bro.
Conjuring.
no, I'll tell you what I mean. So the Conjuring 2, I liked the one and the first one and the second one. उसमें the second one में they had a nun character, Valak करके, ठीक है?
spin-offs.
Okay. फिर उसके बाद they made a
Their
separate movie
standalone movie
called
called
The
the
Nun.
Nun. Yeah, very bad.
Yeah.
And they try
बहुत
to
कट्टी.
explain where she came from. Who gives a fuck?
Yeah. Like
It's
it's,
not
not Better
about
Call
that.
Saul. It's not Better Call Saul. Let's put it
It's
that way.
better not call Nun because that fucking movie stank.
It was
Don't watch
none.
it.
Okay. So
By
I
the way,
wanna
Dina,
go
have
back
you
to-
guys? Sorry, before you, मेरे को एक joke याद आया. Joke भी नहीं है, but an observation. I've seen, you know, like a lot of people when you ask them favorite book क्या है, बहुत लोग ना Alchemist.
Yeah.
मैंने बहुत लोगों के घर पे
Alchemist
Yeah.
is the
Coffee
self-help
table
book I
पे-
hate the most. It's a self-help
Alchemist.
book disguised
Alchemist.
as some rando
No,
story.
it'll be that, or it'll be monk who sold his Ferrari, or monk who escaped the tunnel, or one of those.
but Alchemist सबके इस पे देखा
सबके है,
bro.
सबके.
पढ़ा है
You're
तुम लोगों ने
right.
Alchemist?
You're right. Paulo
मैंने
But
Coelho.
नहीं
I
पढ़ा
got-
है actually.
I knew it in
उसका
the first 10 pages
didn't
that वो
uh,
झाड़ के नीचे उसका वो treasure है साले का.
wait, who wrote Love in the Time of Cholera? Wasn't that also him?
No, that's Gabriel
No,
Garcia
that-
Marquez.
हाँ, Gabriel
Oh,
Garcia.
oh,
हाँ, sorry. Marquez,
Please
Marquez,
don't
Marquez.
try.
Sorry, my bad.
I'm not a Marquez fan. Like 100 Years of Solitude is actually 1,000 Years of Solitude to read, but
नहीं नहीं मेरे को बहुत
And
पसंद.
the,
I
you
know,
know
I
what
know.
the sad part is? You know what the sad part is? I read J.D. Salinger and
Oh, yeah,
then
let's
went
talk about
straight to Alchemist. It was the worst experience of my life because you go from that book.
but which Catcher
which
in
was
the
like
Rye or which one?
Catcher in the Rye. I read Catcher in the Rye.
Baba,
And then I
like
was like,
4 people have
बाजू में
read
एक और
Franny and
पतली-
Zoe.
बाजू में
Didn't
एक पतली book, हाँ, correct.
Other did it make you want to shoot somebody?
No,
Oh,
but
Because
it
that's
leads-
what
yeah,
that's what
it's
John
about.
Lennon's killer said. That I read
Yeah.
Catcher in the Rye, and that's what made me want to go shoot John Lennon.
Yeah.
Correct.
And
Correct,
then
correct.
South Park did a crazy episode on this, brilliant writing, where they found out this had happened. So they write a book. ठीक है? I think Cartman writes a book. It's called Scrody McBruger
Of course.
Balls.
Yeah.
और
Oh.
वो book suddenly super hit हो जाती है, ठीक है?
और लोग आप
But
मार रहे हैं
whoever reads that book now starts vomiting.
Nice,
No,
nice,
no,
nice. Okay.
Vomits, just vomits, like
Vomits,
for
vomits.
2 minutes, copious amounts of projectile just coming out of their mouth. ठीक है? It comes, then news पे आ जाता है, public पागल हो रहे हैं, ये वो. Suddenly there's and this now a special reading of 2 chapters of Scrody McBruger Balls by Morgan Freeman. Morgan Freeman fireside face के बाद पढ़ के book पढ़ रहा है, वापस उल्टे करता है.
So no, I want to go back to one of Varun's original questions, which was asked 78 minutes ago but was not answered. In terms of just the genre of reading, like is there a go-to genre? that you have. Let's assume you don't have a favorite genre, because Kautuk, I absolutely agree with you. Like, even I've gone from not just fiction to like historical fiction to magic realism to like, you know, humor, that thing, to historical fiction to whatever, contemporary adult to young adult to whatever.
Two
Right?
genres, yes,
Um,
yes.
yeah, through many genres. But I was having this conversation very recently, right? And it's just in the last 10 or 12 years, actually, maybe even less, actually, in the last 7-8 years, the amount of stories and the diversity of stories that have been that are accessible, right? It's crazy, dude. It's crazy. The storytelling, the ability of what and just the perspectives that you are reading, and how much is there. It's too crazy. So is there a go-to genre that you have?
Bro,
Like,
you
I
know
think-
what I've started liking nowadays more is a lot of like pop science stuff.
Yeah.
Yeah, interesting.
Like if you look at Yuval Noah Harari now,
Yeah, oh,
So
bro,
well
that
written.
it is just you read and it keeps getting more and
the
more
thing about
and
Sapiens
more
is,
and
and the thing about Sapiens, or even
Homo
the
Deus.
next
Homo
Homo Deus is that you can't finish it in one sitting, because it's
You
so
can't.
much information that
नहीं
you're like,
तेरे दिमाग में आएगा ही नहीं, and then when you start again you want to go back 5 more pages just to be like अरे last episode में क्या हुआ था
What
देखने
was
दे
that
वापस.
story? Yeah.
no, I mean, dude, we should talk for a second about
Salinger?
Harari, because no,
Oh.
and yeah, Salinger also. Let's go back to him also for a
Challenger,
second.
huh?
But before that, Harari, like I remember, I really liked Sapiens, but for me, the thing that, and this is, I think, the phase I'm in right now. Okay, so I opened Homo Deus. Okay, I started reading. So for those of you who don't know, Harari is a historian. He's written Sapiens, which is
Historian,
about
philosopher,
yeah,
fucking
then general like
general smart
critic
guy.
of critic of society at the moment. So
modern day philosopher is right.
Modern day.
Yeah, modern day philosophy.
Sapiens is about prehistory to
Past.
now, and
Yeah.
Homo Deus is about the future. It's about like future projections. So I started reading it, and I think that was the first time I started going like, "Holy shit, dude! We are going to be like all of us on this
Fuck.
screen are going to be obsolete in 4 minutes."
Hmm.
So because like it's so well articulated, like some of the things in it, like for example,
And
he
it's
says that
researched.
yeah,
Researched properly and explained well. It's not like
Explained well.
you like lose your mind like क्या लिखा है इसका मतलब क्या. No, it's very easily absorbable.
and it's
Yes,
all
yes.
stuff that we're heading towards right now. It's happening as we speak. So for example, he says in the future death is not going to be like, right now we look at it as an inevitable thing,
Yeah.
but he's
Yeah.
like death is going to be a problem that will be solved.
Yeah.
So then what we will have is not immortality but immortality, where you can
ये
get
सब
killed.
जिंदा है.
नहीं, but तू मर सकता
हो
है,
सकता है.
but
Hmm.
meaning if
you
you're
wish.
physically hit.
Yeah,
Right?
तू मर सकता है in an accident.
Yeah.
Hmm.
So
Yeah.
so then what happens is, now in that case, then it raises these philosophical questions, right? Then you start realizing that if that is the case, then people will not take risks because they stand to lose the rest of time. So basically, what it comes down to is that we are living our lives because literally YOLO. क्योंकि एक दिन तो मरना है, चल कर ही लेते हैं. So, which is damn
You know who's another very good guy who explains complex things really simply and beautifully, I might add, is Bill Bryson.
Oh yes.
Never read.
Okay, so if you can get your hand on A Brief History of Nearly Everything, Varun, just read that book. It's basically everything.
No,
from the
start
Big
with
Bang.
Hitchhiker's Galaxy. Start
No,
with
no, no.
Hitchhiker's.
Hitchhikers is a different genre.
Yeah,
Acha.
pura
It
alag
is
hai.
that is
no,
Douglas
it's-
Adams.
Won't be
That
pop
is-
science.
That is.
Oh yeah,
and-
sorry, I'm confusing Douglas Adams. Sorry, my bad.
I mean,
So-
both are Brit, but that's about it.
Yeah.
But,
Yeah, sorry.
But if you start with Brief
No,
History
he's
of Nearly
American.
Everything,
Bill is American.
Bryson is American?
He's born and
Oh,
raised
Bryson
in
is
fucking
American?
Maine.
Oh.
He's from Maine.
नहीं वो राजस्थान से है, चुकी है.
अरे
Maine.
हाँ राजस्थानी लिखा है
Maine.
इसका. हाँ मारवाड़ी है बिल
Acha,
ब्राइसन.
acha. So, but he's not Maine. Technically, Maine is English only.
I think he
England
must have-
only.
yeah, he must have
One of those
Yeah.
guys who just came there on the Mason-Dixon line boat. What I was saying was, so maybe he is. But the thing about Bryson is, if you read A Brief History of Nearly Everything, he has made
बहुत सही है.
science so approachable, right?
He's a
Like he
comedy
started
writer.
from the Big Bang. He started from the Big Bang, and he's gone like pretty much. But he's told it to you so beautifully. And then he's
मजा
done
आता
like
है पढ़ने में.
Australia. He's done My Home.
Dude,
He's a great traveler,
there is a
right?
I think one of his latest books is called and you guys will love this name. Okay, it's called The Body, a User's Manual.
Very fun.
And dude, uska the first introduction I had to Bill Bryson was a book called A Walk in the Woods. Okay, A Walk in the Woods. So there is a trail in America called the Appalachian Trail.
Trail, yeah.
A beautiful but a very long stretch of woods. So
You're right,
the
he
book was
might be
about
American
him and
also.
his friend walking this trail as complete amateurs. They're like, oh, it's going to fucking take a long time. We have to take our tents with us. We've not done physical exercise in like a long time. Or अपन ये trail करेंगे. And it's told with such humor, and the history of the trail is laid out so beautifully that I was sold on it, and I've been a Bryson like a sub chat liya.
He is an American British author, but he's genuinely one of. But you're right. He's born in Iowa actually, but he is an American British author.
Des Moines, I think that's.
Also 8th of December, guys. Same day as.
Oh fuck!
Yeah.
You,
One
John
more
Terry,
legend.
and who? Bill Bryson.
John Terry, Jim Morrison, Dharmendra.
Wow.
Oh, you're one of those who sits and sees कि कौन से celebrity
No,
के
no.
birthday मेरे
अरे
कौन
people
से
have
है,
mocked
मेरा
me
birthday
with.
को मैं जाके
people
बोल
have-
सकूं because
अरे
icebreaker है. Hi,
bro,
I'm Neville. You know,
8th of December.
Dharmendra is born on the same day as me.
No, but 8th of December 1980 is also the exact day John Lennon died. So.
Bap.
तेरे
It's
वजह से.
not-
तू
Which
गया,
brings us to
तूने
Salinger.
किया.
Which brings us to Salinger.
What a
Let's do
No,
segue.
so I'm saying, hey, Kautuk, isn't one of your favorite writers of all time also a great travelogue?
Who
Kerouac,
knows?
dude.
Kerouac, yes.
Kerouac.
Yes. I don't. Fuck, when you say travel writer, that doesn't is not the first
But
thing I
come
think
on,
of.
he is, right?
You're right.
अरे
You're
बाबा,
right.
talking about तू ये बोर्डिंग का book कैसा है?
बहुत अच्छा है. मैंने start बहुत कम किया है.
कौन सा?
but
No
as of the-
reservations.
No.
नहीं, एंथनी
New one.
बोर्डन का नया बुक उसने
No,
आज
World
डाला था
Travel,
अपने
हाँ.
स्टोरी, वर्ल्ड ट्रैवल.
I just
Very
got
nice.
it. I just
Very nice.
started.
How
just
he's
started
writing
reading.
after death? What is happening with that?
No. There is.
I think they
there is an-
published some.
There
Yeah.
is an and credit.
Acha.
Hmm.
Very nice. Very nice.
But there's so much like anyway. Sorry, big Bourdain fan also. But Kautuk, you were talking about Kerouac, and I'm going to
Kerouac,
let you
oh,
talk
I-
about Kerouac
Oh
because you
fuck.
love
Okay,
him.
I just wanted take a brief moment in time to talk
orgasm.
about Jack Kerouac, bro. So Kerouac, by the way, if like I think he's best experienced if you're young. I feel like the older you get, you may not get the full blast of romanticization.
Which is also ironic because Kerouac didn't write it when he was super young.
I mean, yeah, middle of his life he wrote it.
Yeah,
So he wrote
yeah.
this iconic book called On the Road. Okay, now here's the story of On the Road. It was written in 1950. Okay, came out in 1950. Written before that. It was about he and his friends going across America. Okay, in like just traveling across America like madmen. Okay, searching for the soul of the country.
Hence, travel writer.
Hmm.
So basically he's written this book. Now how he wrote this book was insane. He basically realized that he wanted to develop a unique style of his own, and it was like a mixture of poetry and stream of consciousness. And what he was inspired by was jazz music, you know,
Wow.
like free form, just evocative but not really in structure. So what he did
Hmm.
is he said that the worst way to capture that would be to start and stop writing. तो उसने क्या किया? In his typewriter, he had to
Interesting.
type it out, right, on his typewriter. So what he did is he taped, okay, a reel of paper, like a lamba reel of paper, and he put it in his typewriter and he kept typing for like some 4 days straight.
Okay.
All right, and that's the book. So they've
Wow.
published it recently as the original scroll. It's without any para breaks, nothing. It's just one block of text. Okay, it's called On the Road, and it's one of the most like there's
Could
a
you
YouTube.
explain what you just did? Like if you stop writing, what does it cause?
No, I mean it's just like it'll break his
breaks your
flow.
it breaks stream of consciousness. No, stream
breaks
of,
his flow.
What is, speaking of stream of consciousness, what is Catcher in the Rye? Right, Catcher in the Rye is stream of consciousness writing. Right, it's in its sense of when you tell Holden Caulfield's story.
So basically stream of consciousness, what it starts with Proust and James Joyce. Okay, this thing of stream of consciousness.
Emily Lit coming handy.
Yeah. So basically,
James Joyce and Proust, I've not heard in so long.
so what these
So
guys realized
scholar.
was earlier the novel used to be about events, right? What
Okay.
these guys realized was that there is drama within the minds of people, in the interiority of people. You don't even have to go to events, you just have to go inside characters. So stream of consciousness was, what is this person thinking from minute to minute, second to second, as they go about their mundane life, right? And how your thoughts are not really if you've
They're
ever
not linear.
meditated,
They're
yeah,
not
if you've ever
cohesive.
meditated, you will realize that your brain keeps jumping from
It's
one
just
thing to
random
another.
shit.
Exactly. That's what this is
Mm.
about. It's like you're taking in impressions, you're thinking about something, then you go back in your past, then you go to the future, then you're anxious about the present, then you're like, oh fuck, all of this is just
And then
about
you're like,
getting
oh
coffee.
look, butterfly, oh fuck, mere ko bhook laga hai.
Exactly.
Whatever, like you just move, and that's what
Okay.
stream of consciousness is.
This is a weird statistic.
they're
How much
bringing in the
time does
facts.
how much time does it take to actually write a novel?
6 years.
Kautuk, 6 years. So
Average time, what basis who?
so the average novel will
say a
have
year.
90,000 words. Will have 90,000 words. This is the average
90,000
statistic. 90,000 words.
What? No.
Yeah,
Right.
yeah, he's
Really?
right. He's right. A
90,000
novella is 45,000 and a
Yeah.
novel is about 70 to
90,000.
90,000.
How many words is Red Card?
It's a lakh something words.
That's what I thought it would be more. I mean,
No.
okay.
But this is a 300 and how much is it? Yeah, it's 338. 338
Okay.
pages,
So
which
you
is
want to be at
above
like
average.
300 pages, right? Like
Yeah, you want to be
at
250.
280.
It's the maths is it's about like it's 70 to 90. That's what the average novel is.
Okay.
Below that is a novella, right? So I was very tempted to give me a novella. You know what the original idea of Red Card was? The original idea of Red Card was I wanted it to be a 90-page book with a half time at 45 pages.
45 minutes.
And
you could
3
read
pages
it,
of
write
extra
it in-
time. But मैं बहुत कोशिश किया और नहीं हुआ फिर.
It's
पर वो बहुत
impossible.
cool होता
Once you
है
start
अगर वो तो
writing,
actually किया होता तो.
But you can do a
or
film
you
in
can
real
do a
time.
900-page book. You do a 900-page book. And
But
then
what is the average time? Adar, what is the
average time is 475 hours. So stream of consciousness does come into play here. It's just the amount of
No, so
hours you
if
put in.
you
It's
should-
189 words per hour on an average to write.
You should see this thing that I think Margaret Atwood, who by the way again phenomenal, Margaret Atwood I think said it.
Handmaid's Tale? No?
Handmaid's Tale and
Fucking
and
gruesome.
several
Not read the
others.
book, but watch the show. Fucking
Oh,
insane.
fuck. Very.
No, and several others, right? So I think there was a Margaret Atwood quote that was about writing, and it says it takes you as long to write a book as it takes you to have as it takes you to enjoy life, or something to that effect. Basically, you have to have lived. You
Yeah.
have to have lived that moment, that entire story.
Yeah.
Because
Bro,
the
you know-
story itself is the life of the book, right?
Fuck, can I
So-
tell you one very
ऐसे ही कुछ
creepy
बोला
thing?
था उसने, Atwood
One
ने.
very creepy thing that happens to you as a writer is that eventually you start forming memories that you haven't lived, but they are memories
Yes.
of other people, like just characters or situations.
Scary.
It's damn weird, dude. Like and then it starts fucking with your mind. Because like, I've been here. I feel like I've experienced. I haven't. It's just the
That
fucking
happens with
writing.
movies, right? A lot of times when like I've seen movies
Especially
like 10,
if
10 times.
you watch
Yes.
back to back, तेरे दिमाग में अटक जाए. मेरे को गेम ऑफ थ्रोन्स ड्रीम्स आ रहे हैं, ब्रो. आप 50वीं बार देख रहा हूँ वापस. कल रात को रेड वेडिंग देख के सोने गया. Fucking hell.
It's what a messed up thing to do.
By the way, when we were talking about pops, I forgot to mention one book, and that's for any of you who are interested in any sort of astrophysics. Right now, अगर तूने बचपन से science नहीं पढ़ा है, तो it's tough to understand a lot of things. But Neil deGrasse Tyson wrote this really killer book. I think 2016 or 17 में आया था. It's called Astrophysics for People in a Hurry.
Yeah.
मतलब ये मैं हूँ.
Very nice. Very nice.
मैं पढ़ना चाहता हूँ. Number one,
But brief history,
non-fiction.
brief history of time is also very nice. Brief history. I've just started thoda.
And
But it's a really
any
nice
Richard Feynman book. Any
Arey,
Richard Feynman.
yaar.
If you-
Okay, what are the three
Did
most
you guys
read
read a
books?
lot of like biographies?
Yes.
Yes.
My sister
Yes.
reads a lot of
I
them.
have
My
now.
sister
I have
loves
started.
reading biographies.
That is
There
not
was a-
Mein Kampf.
there was a or Diary of a Young Girl.
And
But
Frank.
there was there was a period in my life where I did a lot of biographies. Then I stopped. Then I started reading a lot of biographies again. Then I started reading a lot of sports biographies.
Yeah,
Uh,
same.
before-
मैंने भी
I
हाईलाइट का
started with
पढ़ा ना.
Beckham. I started with Beckham.
Oh,
And
you
then I-
started with
Yeah,
of
yeah.
course.
मैंने सचिन का पढ़ा क्योंकि उसने साइन करके मुझे हाथ में दिया. हम लोग ने एक शो किया था मैंने और
Oh.
अनुभव पाल ने और शो हुआ तो फिर ऐसे साइन करके ऑटोबायोग्राफी दी अपनी. एक प्लेन राइड पे पढ़ लिया और मेरे को रियलाइज हो कि मैं सब जानता हूँ ये.
You know the crazy thing is, I love what Thakur said. He's like, मैंने पढ़ा क्योंकि सचिन ने मेरे को साइन करके
Sign
दिया.
करके दिया.
That's what it takes for Thakur to
For
read
Thakur to
a
read a
book.
To read a book
A,
about stuff
a
that he
living
already
legend
knows.
to actually sign the fucking book.
तो मजा नहीं
About
आएगा.
stuff that he knows. ये तो पता भी था, but फिर भी चलो. आप
But that's one of the
sign कर
most.
रहे हो तो पढ़
That's the
लूंगा.
thing that people got so disappointed by with Sachin's biography,
was very
autobiography.
बहुत सारी चीजें नहीं थे which I thought should have been there but it's very different the way they do it here as opposed to outside. A lot of
You guys remember Tendulkar's
No,
restaurant?
Yeah,
Where
yeah.
a lot of people used to go there just
Yeah,
to come
yeah.
out disappointed.
No, there are a few biographies which are pretty cool. Even from
Hey,
India.
by the way,
bro I really like इसका APJ Abdul Kalam का
Wings of
no,
Fire.
I was
Wings
talking
of
about
Fire.
within the-
Wings of Fire.
I was even talking within the sports world. There are a few which are pretty kick-ass.
Dude,
in
there
terms
is
of-
one book in particular from so usually sports biographies have the same tendency that the Sachin thing had, which is that they tell you known facts and they don't tell you very much else about the
They
inner
tell you
world.
known facts in in first person.
Exactly, and they don't tell you anything about the inner working of the person, which is what you want to know. So there is one book that accomplishes it, and it accomplishes it with style and like there's drama, and it's a beautiful read. That book is Andre Agassi's Open. Okay,
Hey,
Oh,
it's
yeah,
honest, it is beautiful, and उससे मेरे को एक realization हुआ. तो he made a very unique choice amongst biographies of writing the autobiography in the present tense. So what that did is when he came to the sports sections, that was the fucking best because sports is best viewed
Enjoyed live.
live. So it's like I don't know what the outcome is because he is still playing, right?
Yeah.
It was a present day thing. So I used that in Red Card eventually. So thanks, Andre.
You know, even
Yeah.
and also, you know, when you like a certain sports personality, actor, band, whatever, and you read their biographies, like मैं इसका पढ़ा था Red Hot Chili Peppers का. पढ़ा है तूने बाबा? Scar Tissue?
नहीं,
मैं तेरे को
नहीं।
बोला था ना कौतुक?
हाँ.
Superb है, bro. If you
But
like,
but
मैं
tell
RHCP
people
fan
why
है
it's
इसके
called
लिए.
Scar Tissue.
no, it's Under
Because
the
of
Bridge. So
Under the Bridge.
the song Under the Bridge was written because they were actually under a bridge in LA
Yeah.
shooting up on heroin. ठीक है वो that was their phase कि उन लोग काफी addict हो गए थे और तभी बैठ के लिखा गया था ये song. So if you listen to the lyrics also, it's a lot to do with that time in their life.
देख ये सही है. ये रॉकस्टार्स का जो निकलता है ना बायोग्राफी ये सही है क्योंकि वो लोग
But
सही
नहीं वो
also-
शायद वो नहीं वो शायद झूठ भी होगा तो
It also
तू बिलीव
the thing
करेगा.
is it adds to the legend, no?
Legend,
It
exactly.
helps
Exactly.
add to the legend. So
yeah.
Oh,
which
fuck,
is what it
dude,
is, right?
talking of
Like if
which-
David Bowie, I haven't read David Bowie or I even don't even know if he has a biography. But imagine David Bowie's autobiography, right? Like it
Correct.
would be fucking crazy.
Dude, you know something like talking of rockstars books and self-help, like this one book that genuinely I think it changed the trajectory of my life a little bit. There's a book called Bono on Bono.
Oh God. That's
And-
Kautuk, no?
It's
And-
just
My-
a
my
weird
fam-
something you don't
slowly
want to
touching-
find on
slowly
Yeah.
touching himself.
yeah.
Kautuk gets a Bono when he talks about
Bono
Bono.
when he talks about Bono on Bono.
So, नहीं but बहुत सही book है because like that dude's so
Is there
it was-
anything that Bono can do wrong?
he's like Ronaldo यार बाबा अभी मैं क्या बताऊं.
Like the only thing that will go wrong is if Bono starts playing football and Cristiano Ronaldo starts singing.
अरे okay, so the worst thing he has done, okay, universally acknowledged, worst thing ever was that
Spider-Man.
they put the fucking album into everyone's Apple iTunes.
Oh yeah, bro.
That is the worst
And-
thing.
And not
you know,
even a good
after
album.
point-
It's
after
not
a
like they
point-
put Joshua
No,
Tree.
No,
listen.
but even that album that was there, you got irritated. But when the more I listened to it, the more I liked it. Raised by Bull
Yeah.
बहुत पसंद आने लग गया.
you know something everyone was shitting on that album that day and I woke up like it was Christmas. I was like, oh fuck, a free album. A free album. It's there. How do I how do I refresh this and get one more? Can I get one more? Like that's what I was doing.
हाँ, Bono on Bono, बोल.
So there's a French journalist called Michka Assayas, okay, and he did a series of interviews with Bono where he asked him questions. Bono basically he didn't. Isn't written as a thing. It's a bunch of interviews that are put together, and it's insightful. It's sort of like very human, accessible, and some very smart things he said. So I thoroughly enjoyed it, and because I think that's the thing about books, that you connect with them at a particular time in your life for a particular reason,
Yeah, that's
right?
what's important.
And if the right circumstances align, then that book will have a profound effect on you. I think it's the same with any piece of
And
art.
that's true for
Any
me.
book,
for-
any piece of art, yeah.
Which
Any
is why
piece of
when
art.
somebody
Also,
asks
the
me
reason
what are
behind-
my favorite books, there are 3 favorite books of mine, and those are and they will. I don't think a book will surpass that or make it to that list anymore. There are 3,
So
and
Mein
it's
Kampf
just
and which
because of
which others?
and it's just
Mein Kampf, Homer's Odyssey, and the Bible.
and Grapes of Wrath. But no. So not Gunter Grass, but or 1984. But no.
I
For
was
me,
just gonna say, तू मेरा favorite book ले
Oh.
लिया बाबा. अभी चल मैं नहीं बात करेगा.
अच्छा, okay. No, so my 3 favorite books are Catcher in the Rye, Hitchhiker's Guide to the Galaxy, and To Kill a Mockingbird. These 3 books, the impact that they have had on my life, and at the time they have had them, just by virtue of being there for me when they were. These 3 books will I don't think, and I've read great books like and by people who I absolutely admire. Like Sorkin's not on the list, right? Bourdain's not on the list.
You can
right?
say it whenever you want,
Srivastav's
Baba.
not on the list. You know what I'm saying? So
What a bastard.
yeah,
So, you know,
I'm saying
like,
like even Jane Eyre is not on the list, right? It's a great book.
अरे हम लोग को
Right, but-
स्कूल में कराया था bro Jane. You know, sad
Look at
part
his
is
face.
SSC
He's
में.
so sad
I'm
about it.
so
right?
no, I'm sad because I wanted Shakespeare. हम लोग को Shakespeare नहीं था स्कूल में.
वो अपन
Shakespeare,
Yeah.
हम
We
लोग को
had
था, हम लोग को
rapid
था.
reader in English, and that was Jane Eyre.
Oh, yeah.
It wasn't Shakespeare.
And
उधर
rapid
मेरे
reader
was
ICSE
like-
school वाले.
Rapid reader
One
is
sec.
like the Blinkist in book form.
yes.
That's what it
But
is.
once
It's
I don't
horrible.
understand. In which context is Jane Eyre a rapid read?
No.
not.
अरे
They
in,
had
in
a
SSC
horrible-
mediums you had rapid
It was
reading.
just the facts.
It
It
was
was just
for
the
no
facts
fucking
in a book
reason.
this tiny, and you're just going through the boring facts of the book and not really enjoying the story. So it just takes all the essence of the book away. That whole rapid reader.
Thank
bullshit.
God they didn't do that.
Either
with
you have a
Wuthering Heights,
favorite
but,
book or what? Like a book that like has made an like changed your life or anything like that?
For me, it was a big deal. I think it keeps changing over time. Like I now I'm going through more books because I keep taking recommendations from friends about books. But I think Lord of the Rings left a very strong impression on me on
100%.
just the effort, just the sheer effort, and to be able to read that at 14 and to like go like this.
It made you a
clearly,
fantasy
this
fan for
effort.
sure.
yeah.
Like Harry Potter got me that gateway drug kind of thing. It was fun, it was relatable, it was like it was a kid like a young adult
बच्चे
book.
मैजिक कर रहे हैं.
Yeah,
as
and
Varun
this is
once
when
put
I
it.
realized
मैं तो
what
फ्राई हो गया
intricate
ब्रो. बच्चे
storytelling
मैजिक
is.
कर रहे हैं. मैं क्यों पढूं? चल मैं क्यों देखूं? हट नहीं देखूंगा.
One
और
of the
ऐसे
reasons why
डिस्डेन,
she
कंप्लीट
named it-
डिस्डेन हैरी पॉटर को. और इतने मोटे
One of
बुक
the
के टाइम
reasons
किसके पास
why
है ये
she
वो.
wrote J.K. Rowling, why she wrote J.K. Rowling is
Yeah,
so that
because
nobody knows
nobody would
Joanna,
know
so boys
Joanna,
would not buy
yeah.
the book.
Oh.
Yeah.
So
If a girl
Harry
wrote it,
Potter
yeah.
was front and center on the book and not her name as a
Yeah.
female.
So, but you
writer.
know what I'm going to do when I have kids, right? I'm going to read Harry Potter with them. That's the
You
first
should.
time. वो भी पढ़ेगा और मैं भी पढ़ेगा साथ में because Nikita swears by it. मतलब she तो loves
मेरे को
it.
सिर्फ मेरे
One
को
of my
ये
first
full
gifts to
deja vu
her
हो रहा है.
was a collector's edition पूरा 10 book का gift set. Like one of
10
the
book
first
है
gifts.
नहीं.
जितने भी बुक है भाई किसको
8
फर्क
है,
पड़ता है.
7 है, sorry, 8 movies
मेरे
है,
को
7
10 बुक वाला collector's edition.
You know, like how
बाकी सबको
Lord of the
मिलता नहीं.
Rings, Lord of the Rings had like these armies fighting each other. I just want the Harry Potter army to fight the BTS army, and I just want to see who wins.
हाँ.
But isn't the overlap also heavy?
I'm sure there must be. Yeah, must be.
Yeah,
Like there'll
so-
be a large number of people who like, fuck, who do I kill?
No, but
or who are
it
in
was
the
Harry
intersection
Potter
set.
versus Twilight for the longest time, right? Harry
Oh
Potter,
yeah, that
Twilight.
too. That too.
In
yeah.
fact, Harry Potter has a Twilight reference, which is very
Really?
funny in the movies.
What?
No, it doesn't.
Yeah,
How can it?
In the movie, they
What
make
is the
a Twilight
reference?
reference.
Do you know what the reference? is?
So there's a story of the three brothers that she's reading from Beetle and Bard. Hermione is reading the tales of Beetle and Bard in the seventh movie, and she's reading the book, and it goes into transitions into this wonderful animation, and they go through the book animation. So about the three brothers. So when she starts, it was like three brothers were walking down a road at at dusk or something, or like something. And Ron goes twilight. Mom, when she the three brothers were walking down the road at twilight. She says twilight, and he says morning. I like morning better. Mom always said it as morning.
Oh, subtle.
And then he goes, oh, and Hermione gives him a look, and he's like, no, twilight is great. It's better actually. And then they
Subtle.
move on. Very nicely done. And that was the time of the peaking of the Twilight series.
I didn't think
But-
that it was because wasn't Robert Pattinson in fucking Harry Potter?
Yes, he
Yes.
was there. So one of the reasons why they did that.
A very young
Because
Robert
there was a lot
Pattinson.
of So have you guys read the Twilight series? Talking about
No.
like
Couldn't.
epic.
There's better ways I can stab myself with in the eye.
Couldn't do it.
Okay, so I knew a girl that I wanted to date, and I
Oh, yes.
read Twilight series
motivation.
is what? Yeah. So Twilight is essentially like
Don't tell me you've taken out the books now.
He
No,
has
no,
it?
I don't have I don't
he
own the
doesn't.
books. I borrowed it from a friend. So Twilight is essentially this much, if you really look at it.
No chance. It's
Okay.
much less.
No, it's this much. It's just
Meaning there are
excessive
like
pages.
there are a bunch of
Yeah.
books,
I read this much. I went through this much in about 5 days. It is
Nice.
insane because every time I read the book, and I just like, because I know fantasy, like I enjoy fantasy to such a degree. Every time she would start describing how beautiful the vampire is, I would do this. I would just go, okay, how beautiful Edward Cullen. Okay, chal, next. 10 page aise hi uda, because the next 10 pages are dedicated to how beautiful Edward Cullen is.
This is like
And
this
now I realize what you can do in fiction. If you call a character beautiful 120 times in 5 chapters, everybody perceives a person or a face in their head that is going to be extraordinarily beautiful. And then they fall in love with your protagonist.
Yeah, but it's a very
That is a
What
bizarre,
is this?
it's a
Why
very
is this
crude way of
cheap
doing it.
Fucking
Yeah, it's
fuck
very-
all way of
It's a
writing.
young adult. It's a young
तो
adult.
फिर
way of
लिखना
doing things.
अदर
No,
एक लिखना
dude.
तो खुद बुक लिखना एक।
No, dude. There is some, if you want like young adult that is legit, like decent, like you look at
You
look
can
at
say it
Flowers for
anytime.
Algernon.
Red
Look at
Card, Red Card is good.
Red Card is good. I'm saying
Yeah, Archie's
Fucking
पर
Bawa.
Archie's.
Flowers for Algernon. Juliet Takes a Breath. Try reading that. You know, there's another book called Ramona Blue. I'm saying if you want to read good YA, there are these good YA books that you can sort of pick up.
Nick Hornby, by
and-
the way, fever pitch in case you're a
Oh,
football
dude.
fan.
Also, sorry, we were talking about
Arsenal fan particularly.
we were talking about interviewing. Guys, Noam Chomsky, bro.
Chomsky.
Must
नहीं
आता
पढ़ा। बता
Bro,
कुछ बाबा।
Chomsky.
Because I get a feeling you're going to tell us.
No,
Chomsky. As he is affectionately called.
Chomsky.
Chomsky. Chomsky.
By his near dear and Bawa.
Yeah. So Chomsky, no, so he's
Nomi
he's a
Kapadia.
journalist, right? And he's a journalist who has basically lost
He's
like
not a
the
journalist,
vibe.
Bawa. What are you saying?
Sir, he's an American
Noam Chomsky.
linguist,
Yeah, he started as a
philosopher,
linguist. and then he became a-
historian.
But
There's so
one
many
second, I'm
other-
coming to it. I'm coming to it.
Journalistic
I'm coming to it. He has lost, to me, I think he comes off as a guy who has lost faith in the system.
Yeah.
Like
Yeah.
he's given up on everything, including journalism, is what I was coming to. Right. Like because in all his op-eds and everything that he wrote, he's given up on everything. And so he's only writing shitting on people's pieces.
Bro, पर
okay?
उसका 2-3 insight, meaning 2-3 नहीं, बहुत सारे insight.
बहुत
They're
सारे
so
insights.
beautiful. Like there
Yeah,
was
yeah.
one I was just recently, I don't know how it fucking popped up on Instagram. Okay, he basically says that the crazy thing about like news debates and things like that. Okay, is that authoritarian regimes will have an opposition because they want you to know the limits in which you can speak. So it'll basically
How
stop
is this
you from
not a guy
thinking-
who's given up?
it is a guy who's given up, and he's like, it'll stop you from thinking what is beyond these two limits, right? We keep arguing within the two, and they set the agenda. They go like, okay, here's what you can say, and here's the extent of what you can say. But there is so much beyond it that people like you don't even register it. Very, very interesting. Like manufacturing consent. All of these books are very, very.
I don't know if this is I've found a random quote which says Noam Chomsky, but you don't know nowadays. That's the problem. I can't. It says sports plays a societal role in engendering jingoist and chauvinistic attitudes.
ये बात तो सही है.
They're designed to organize a community to be committed to their gladiators.
Except with football fans in India, we are jingoistic about countries we don't live in only.
Yeah.
Like Bawa hardcore England fan.
मलाड में रह के मैनचेस्टर यूनाइटेड ब्रो यही तो है अपने सीन.
Just tell me something. Any of y'all fell into the Ayn Rand
I
bucket
did.
or-
I fell into the Ayn Rand trap until I read Fountainhead to a lot of pain.
एक ही बुक पता
No,
नहीं.
I
so-
tried
so
Atlas
the
Shrugged
order-
a little bit.
so the
Atlas
order
Shrugged
is-
I dropped.
So the order is Fountainhead.
I see what you did there.
It's just like
Dude, so the order is Fountainhead and then Atlas Shrugged, right? That's how you should read it.
That's
if
the
you are
order,
reading
yeah.
it. But Atlas Shrugged, there is literally some 80 pages or 40 pages in the middle that you can just do Edward Cullen and just turn, right? Like literally.
You've got a good
because
verb for it. Just Edward Cullen it, bro.
yeah,
So
just color it.
so the thing is, but when I like it was Atlas Shrugged for me was one of those books where philosophically I understood what words can do. Okay, and I'll tell you, I and that also happened to me with just the title of the book, right? Like when you hear Atlas Shrugged, it means nothing. You don't know what you're talking about.
पहला तो वो
Right.
लगता है ना कि वो ऐसा ज्योग्राफी का टेक्स्ट बुक ऐसा हिल गया थोड़ा.
Yeah,
Yeah,
no,
Atlas.
or it's just a guy who's called Atlas,
Yeah,
who's
actual
like
Atlas
who's Sunil
is to
Shetty.
take it. चले.
वही.
But when you not and it doesn't need you, it doesn't need the cover art to do it, right? For you, like when you understand,
For a lot of people it does.
Yeah, so ये खड़ा है वो word लेके खड़ा है आदमी.
and so then when you take that and after if you've read Atlas Shrugged and then you look at the title Atlas Shrugged,
Good.
like, and I was at that impressionable age where
Yeah, it has
these
to be
kind
that
of like
age.
मैंने
these
जब
kind of
एटलस श्रग का पहला कवर आर्ट देखा था ना, आई थॉट ये अंबोजा सीमेंट का आदमी क्यों है यहाँ पे
हाँ.
पकड़ के रखता
फिर पढ़ा मालूम पड़ा एक्चुअली अंबुजा नहीं बिनानी है.
बिना
So, I was at that impressionable age where these kind of things really blew my mind, right? Like it was so meta that
yeah,
Just
Dude,
I
I
read
was-
this in my teens and
I-
I was impressed
exactly.
with it until I realized ke the lead like
but I
I'm
think
talking
but I
about
think you
Fountainhead.
need but I think you
It's
need
that
these
easy.
books
I
in your
hated
teens.
that idealistic, yeah, but that by the end I realized like Howard Rock from Fountainhead, the
He's
lead
an asshole.
character, is an idealistic asshole, dude.
He's an asshole.
He's a horrible person to the woman he
But
loves.
must
He's just
toxic
a
आदमी.
really bad person. Yeah, completely toxic lead
But-
character.
But so is Mr. Darcy in Pride and Prejudice. He's a fucking asshole.
Yeah.
Dude, right? Like he's a fucking and
No, but
But
I
she
just
gives
wanna-
it back to him, right? In
Atticus-
Pride and Prejudice, she does give it back to him a
No,
lot. No? But,
but-
ends up with him. But yeah,
But I'm just saying, like he's a fucking and look at Atticus Finch, right? From To Kill a Mockingbird. He's a fucking coward, right? Like he's torn between these two worlds and he's doing what's right, but he's
Bawa,
idealistic.
did you read the sequel?
The letter.
Watchmen.
No, Watchmen.
No,
Huh. No, I didn't read it. I didn't.
Ghost
read
at the Watchmen, I think. It's called.
something like that.
It's
ऐसा
so
ना
bad.
ऐसा you know what I had felt with the most at one point.
I didn't want to
was-
read the sequel for that reason because it would just destroy Kill a Mockingbird
did.
for me.
Huh. Sorry, what are you saying, Thakur?
No, I said one of those books that did that for me to a certain extent was Fear and Loathing in Las Vegas.
Oh yes,
bro.
Hunter Thompson.
And when I actually watched the movie, वो तो even like I thought it was at par because एक तो वो टाइम पे ऐसा नहीं है कि ड्रग्स के बारे में मालूम भी था. You know what I mean? So you just have this impression basis what is written in the book कि ऐसा होता है वैसा होता है.
And
So it was
and white powder coming out of trucks. It's like, ये drugs है.
Yeah.
so you didn't know. So it was quite like
और छुरी डाल के ऐसे ये जो है ना ड्रग्स का चक्कर है, कोकेन
ये
को
drugs है.
ऐसे ही पता चलता है.
Yeah,
almost
he-
up. And you know, actually closer home, one book that really, and that too, it's not because it was more investigative and was अपना Black Friday and
Hussain
Dongri to
Zaidi.
Dubai, Hussain Zaidi का. Bro, because बहुत फटे लिखता है वो, जब भी crime लिखता है, it's properly
क्राइम
like,
राइटर है वो यार.
अरे तो मतलब बहुत बाप लिखता है, मैं वो बोलने की
अच्छा
कोशिश कर रहा
आता है उसको, काम आता है, that's what
अपना
they're saying.
मारियो पुज्जो है वो, और अपना
हूँ. अरे मारियो पुज्जो तो बोला ही नहीं.
But I like ये भी
Tonita
अच्छा था
Mario
बहुत.
Puzo got mentioned is when we were talking about Hussein
Hussein
Zaidi.
Zaidi.
वो मारियो पुज्जो से. क्यों मारियो
And,
पुज्जो क्यों ने क्या लेके आ रहे, एक बुक
our
लिखा है कुछ
godfather,
Godfather.
our godfather is Shootout at Lokhandwala. That's what it is.
Yeah.
So we
Which is
should
Sanjay
sort of-
Gupta.
we should sort of come to like even if you look at like the newer worlds, right? Like whether you look at the stories of Americana with Adiche or Purple Hibiscus, these kind of stories, or the stories are, it's such a fun age, right? Because you have like stories that like and they're so nuanced in a lot of places, right? Like for example, Anxious People, right? It's a very funny heist book, right? About a bank robbery gone wrong. I don't know if Kautuk, if you've read Anxious People, you should read it, right?
Anxious People, yeah.
But it's so poignant, right? Like it's got this really nice like thing. I'm reading Midnight Library, Matt Haig right now, right? I'm reading Humans by Matt Haig right now, and it's so wonderful, dude. It's so wonderful. I don't know if you've read this thing called You Should Talk to Someone, right? You should talk to someone. Maybe you should talk to someone, right? It's a book about a therapist who has issues, right? Then there are some of these, like off late, there are these books that have come that are truly outstanding, right? Like there is this book which is sort of non-fiction, right? Like Maybe You Should Talk to Someone is also non-fiction, but like And the Pursuit of Happiness, it's a non-fiction but also like a graphic novel style. It's an art book, right, by a very famous New York artist, right? Even if you read, like, say, we've not spoken about a lot of comedians, but if you read like Born a Crime, right, Trevor Noah, right?
Yeah, if you want to take a second, we can go through some comedy related books. So I have a bunch of them. I want to talk about them.
we can sort of talk about that. So I'm saying, like, if you look at like even Man Called Ovi and like whatever those kind of things, but in the there's stuff that I want to talk about in the historical
There's a
fiction
new
genre,
there's
but
a woman who's just like if you're talking about you're talking about like a psychologist. There's a woman called Nicole Lepera, and she's called the holistic psychologist. She's got a great YouTube channel. So she's got a book called How to Do the Work, and I think she's gone on the New York bestseller list also. And this is a recent book, 2021 book, and it's called How to Do the Work. And she did something unique, which I sent to Kautuk. She's been leaving signed copies of her book standing on this, like, book को ऐसा खड़ा करके रास्ते पे छोड़ देती. She signs a copy and she leaves an entire corner of a street, just पूरा का पूरा line में. She just leaves her book standing, so people can just come up and pick up a copy, which is a fantastic way to actually promote your book, and just like at the same time, and she already bloody New York bestseller, but a really great, insightful YouTuber and psychologist. So you should try to go check her out.
Sorry,
Called the Holistic Psychologist.
Do we want to talk about some like comedians and
Of
books?
course,
from
बहुत
some
सारा है
of-
यहाँ पे, बहुत सारा पड़ा हुआ है बस.
दो तीन books that I would want to
Bossy
recommend.
Pants.
हाँ, Bossy Pants.
Tina Fey. Bossy
Fey
Pants.
का book for
Big
sure.
Tina
Very
Fey
nice.
fan.
Amy Poehler ka, which is the Amy Poehler book? I forget.
Yeah, there is. I don't remember it. I've only read half of it. I've not. It's a DNF, as the booktubers would say. DNF.
It's called Yes Please.
Yes, Please.
Yes, please.
Go check that out.
Yeah.
Then there is a book that I'm reading. I was reading it just recently. It's Doug Stanhope's This Is Not Fame. What a fucking book. What a beautiful book. So Doug Stanhope
What a
is
fucking comedian.
what a comedian.
really.
Like he's the far end of what you can do with comedy. And dude, the book is also so beautiful. He's like some of this I've written on my blog, but chances are that if you've read the blog, you'll still support me by reading this book. So fuck it.
Yeah.
Which is, I think, our attitude with personal stories also.
Yeah.
So please read This Is Not Fame. Very nice, great book. Napalm and Silly Putty and Last Words by George Carlin.
George Carlin.
Yeah.
And
Anytime.
there's
They can't go wrong.
two books that I also highly recommend. The first one is Robin, which is on the life of Robin Williams by a guy called David Itzkoff. Very good book. And the last one for me, I mean, the one is the Born Standing Up, which we mentioned, Born a Crime we mentioned, and the last one is Becoming Richard Pryor by Scott Sowell. Man, what a great book! Like again, it tells you where Richard Pryor, the mad libbing, riffing, voice changing comedian came from. And once the crazy thing about these things is once you understand where they come from, everything else is just, it's not magic anymore. It's like a logical progression. Of course, if you have that kind of upbringing, that's the person you get. Like it's like if you put the ingredients correctly, a cake will come out of the oven. So worthwhile if you're a comedian.
I really enjoy watching reading anything Stephen Fry like puts out.
Liar, Hippopotamus, Moab is my washpot. These three Stephen Fry books, and there's a new Stephen Fry book that's out that I've ordered, but it has not come.
There's one that I want to read right now. There's one that's on my list right now. Is the Incomplete and Utter History of Classical Music by Stephen Fry.
Nice.
Just the title gets me. I want to read this book.
If you're a poet, also read Stephen Fry's Ode to Poetry, where he literally talks about like how to write poetry.
Also, like Stephen Fry is one of those guys who I think has read the 129 million books that have been published. This guy is he's everything, dude. Stephen Fry is everything.
तो मैं वो चालू करने वाला था, which also ended up being the title of my next special, which is based on true stories.
Oh yeah,
Norm Macdonald का book है, which is also the same title. It's called Based on a True Story, not based on true stories, based on a true story.
Norm Macdonald, what a writer, dude.
And Steve Martin had that other book, which was
Roxanne. Steve Martin has screenplays, plays.
Cruel Shoes.
Yeah.
Cruel Shoes.
Isn't that?
Yeah,
but
right.
Born Standing Up is the autobiography. So
yes,
dude. There is one other.
You guys read plays or what? Any of you bothered reading?
Like
yes.
Of
course, I read plays. Yeah.
Dude, there's a one collection of plays that very few books actually make you laugh out loud.
Yeah.
Right, but when Neil Simon ke plays पढ़ रहा था, dude, Neil Simon ke plays are literally LOL. So he's the guy who wrote Odd Couple. He's the guy who wrote what is it called? The Sunshine.
No,
Kids,
but there are a lot. I mean, you look at
Oscar Wilde.
Oscar Wilde.
So whether
but मेरे को Neil Simon का याद है, I laughed so hard. I was reading, I forget which it was, but so good.
I mean, Ayn Rand wrote Night of January the 16th. Which is Sorkin has written.
Must be a great comedy by Ayn Rand. Full laugh out loud.
So Sorkin wrote Farnsworth Invention, Few Good Men, and those plays. But like I used to read it, I mean, in that whole like college time, you read all that Beckett, and like you get away with all of that. But John Osborne, Look Back in Anger, those kind of plays. Off late, I've not read a lot of plays. That's the one thing that I
read. Baba, this only you will appreciate. I read Stoppards.
Rosencrantz and Guildenstern are dead. Nice.
Very fun.
Great play, dude. Great.
And you know what the premise of that is, right?
Existential crisis in that play.
Dude, Thakur, you know what? Premise batate.
Can I tell you what Rosencrantz and Guildenstern are dead? It is basically Waiting for Godot meets Hamlet.
No, Baba, you're telling it wrong.
Okay, wait. Hamlet mein there are two guards, okay?
Called Rosencrantz and Guildenstern.
Rosencrantz and Guildenstern, who are supposed to be sent by the king, okay? The king who's like faking, who's the uncle who's the king currently, is sent to get Hamlet back to the kingdom. And
they are his cousins also.
Yeah. And Hamlet kills them. They have one dialogue, and Hamlet kills them.
In the play, they have one dialogue.
In the play, they have two dialogues.
And basically, what Tom Stoppard did is, he's like, he did that classic thing that we do, right? कि एक movie देखा, movie में side character है. इसके ऊपर अगर movie बनता तो क्या बनता?
It's the Nun, except they got it right.
Yeah. Can I tell you the opening scene of Rosencrantz and Guildenstern are Dead? it is
Yeah.
this guy who they're waiting for something, okay?
Yeah.
And there is the guy, Guildenstern starts and he flips a coin, says heads. Flips a coin, says heads. Flips a coin, says heads. ये कम से कम 4.5 मिनट ये कम से कम for 4 pages he goes heads. And then the first thing is, what do you think is the, I don't remember the exact line, but it is
Do
something
you
to do
think
with,
of yourself as actually dead, lying in a box with a lid on? This is my favorite monologue from Rosencrantz and Guildenstern. I
Arey,
don't
but
know
no,
why I
this
have
is
it
not
written down.
what I'm talking about. I'm talking about
Huh.
like the first line that Guildenstern says to him.
Wait, you
saying,
have the book?
No, that's
Huh?
not the book.
Yeah.
Other has the book or what?
No, I've got.
No,
This is my
no,
favorite
but-
monologue
Oh,
from
wow.
Rosencrantz and Guildenstern.
But we did Rosencrantz and Guildenstern are dead with Atul Kumar and stuff. So
Yeah.
in that, so he does heads, tails, heads. Then he just says, "Do you think that someone has calculated the probability of the number of times a coin can turn head, can fall heads on tossing it?" And that's how the play starts, dude. You're like, "क्या चल रहा है ये play में, bro?" And then and then in the play there are Elizabethan characters. There are the players from Hamlet. There's this fucking fuck fest of things. It's fucking unreal, dude. Stop it.
Bizarre. It's
Very
bizarre.
well done play.
Yeah.
This monologue, which is, do you ever think of yourself as dead, lying in a box with a lid on it? So it's the whole premise of this entire monologue is that it's okay to be dead. Sorry. Is it like he's talking about the existential crisis of being in a box and that Schrodinger's cat wala logic and just messing it all up in this khichdi and just trying to justify waiting. And
But
just,
it also
just-
sets up Hamlet's monologue,
Yes.
which is what's great, right? So it's fucking anyway. So yeah, I did do read plays. I mean, I read a lot of Beckett and stuff like that. But off late, I've not read enough.
Girish Karnad for
Kafka पढ़ा है क्या तुम लोगों ने? Kafka.
Of course.
Yeah.
ये सब वो कॉलेज के टाइम में सब बहुत कूल होता
बहुत
था bro.
पढ़ना पड़ता था,
बहुत
हाँ।
ज्यादा कूल
तो क्या Kafka, Tarkovsky.
No, like it was really cool to read all of this shit. But I
No,
mean,
but you know
now I don't
something
think I
else.
can.
You know something else. It's like it was not only cool, but also you had the time to discuss it.
Yeah,
You know,
you could
it's
philosophize over it, no?
Yeah,
Like,
abhi-
what's the point of reading John Steinbeck and not talking about John Steinbeck? You know,
exactly,
like,
because अभी मैं पढ़ रहा हूँ book, right? पर उसके right after that, I have to finish a script so I can get the money to pay you the rent, Bawa. You understand what I'm saying? There's not enough time.
like you can't call me and say Zunna ba अपन
Yeah.
Grapes of Wrath discuss करते हैं.
Yeah.
So by the way, Steinbeck also, if you haven't read him, please do, because he's also a very funny guy. So a very just naturally comedic person. So there's one letter that recently surfaced about he was writing on the behalf of his nephew to Marilyn Monroe. Saying ki ma'am, my nephew is big fan, he gets rosy cheeked when we talk about you, so if you could kindly just write back to him or send a photo or something like that, and which is the nicest way to ask for like a poster
yeah.
from
Arey,
anybody.
dude, you've read that thing by George Bernard Shaw, like George
Pygmalion.
Bernard Shaw, Pygmalion wala. So Bernard Shaw basically got a letter from this fan saying that I'm really with a picture and stuff like that. My name is this, blah blah blah. I'm a big fan. I really think. Imagine if we get married, and you know how good our kids would look, and with your brains
Oh,
it
yeah.
would work. Blah, blah, blah. So Bernard Shaw replied saying, "Thank you for your letter, etc. But just imagine if she got my looks and your brains." And sort of like तो ऐसा एक दो विट वाला चीज
No, but like ये
cool
बहुत
लगता
सारे
है.
writers,
Oh.
like from the stories of how their books actually came into being. अभी Alice in Wonderland is actually based on an actual girl.
Yes.
Yeah, or a purported LSD trip, because
LSD.
Which is
Yeah.
subliminal LSD trip also, but apparently, so he met this girl called Alice Lidley or whatever her name was, and she told him, "Tell me a story." तब लुइस कैरल ने ये story बनाया.
तब लुइस कैरल ने LSD लिया also.
LSD लिया.
No, but I'm saying there are some things that you learn much later about reading a book, and I think I mentioned this somewhere. Like, you know, I read Gulliver's Travels very long ago, right? But I think I was 22 or 23 or something when someone told me that Gulliver's Travels is actually political satire.
Yeah.
और मैं ऐसा
Jonathan Swift.
और मैं जस्ट ऐसा आधा घंटा ऐसा सिर पकड़ के बैठा है, बोले ओ ब्रो क्या माइंड ब्लो हो गए.
Yeah.
एंड
Bro,
देन आई वाज
you
जस्ट
know something? There is a to illustrate this thing that Baba was talking about. Jonathan Swift, the guy who wrote Gulliver's Travel, again one of the sharpest satirists of his time. So at the time he was an Irish person, if I'm not mistaken, and because of the government, there was a
a
famine.
car.
Hmm?
It was a car.
So Swift, nice. So
Nice.
basically, because of the government, there was a famine in the country. So what he has done is his way of critiquing the government was that he said that look, now what can we do? Government has acted in best interest. So instead of complaining about government, let's try to solve the famine. So in this book, I'm going to give you recipes about how to cook your babies.
Wow.
Shit.
Dark comedies.
लेजेंड है ब्रो आदमी. Bro, I'm
Lamb,
saying
lamb
like,
पढ़ा है तुम लोग ने? Lamb,
Charles
the
yes,
gospel.
the gospel according
Oh.
to Biff, Jesus' childhood friend.
So
ये मैं
funny.
कितनी बार बोला है
So
कौतुक
funny.
को पढ़ने को,
Is
क्रिस्टोफर मोर.
Kautuk, it is so hilarious.
You
I've
know what the
read,
premise
like,
of the book is,
beginning.
right?
Yeah, please
So,
tell.
Yeah.
so the premise of the book is in the name.
Yeah.
Okay. The basically एक आदमी है बिफ जो
Best
जीसस
friend
का
है ना?
बचपन का दोस्त है, जीसस का. So
Jesus
the
का best friend.
gospel, तो gospel according to Biff, Jesus is childhood friend. And there is an angel that has been sent to saying that भाई प्लीज इसका gospel खत्म कर यार, कब से पढ़ा है, it's been pending for so long. तो एक होटल रूम में उसको कैप्चर करता है और उसको बोलता है तू लिख, तू कहीं नहीं जा रहा है. ये बुक ब्रो पागल बुक है ब्रो, पागल बुक
Yeah,
है.
very nice.
I've really fucked up the book, but the book is outstandingly funny. Even if you read like in historical fiction, by the way, okay, if you can read My Lady Jane, okay, All the Light We Cannot See, it's a World War II book, right? If you can read like My Name is Asher Lev, The Dutch House, Anne Pratchett. There's this a river in the darkness or something like that. It's about a guy
A
who
bridge in the
escaped.
river को है.
No, a river in the darkness. It's
वो
about a guy
charades
who.
में मस्त मूवी है देने के लिए.
हाँ.
नहीं नहीं, बट इजी है, हम लोग खेल रहा है तो बहुत इजी है. बट so a river in the darkness, I think it is. It's basically it's about one man's escape from North Korea. But it is in historical fiction, right? So
Because no one escapes.
That genre is so outstandingly beautiful. Also, it's great, dude.
गाइस हम आपको इतने सजेशन देंगे बुक के कि आप लोग करना चालू करोगे सोंडोकू, which means to let reading materials pile up in one's home and never read them.
Like you know,
Yeah.
if you even look at it, like the amount of literature that we've probably lost, because, like, for example, women weren't allowed to publish and write and stuff like that. And so many women have literally written under pseudonyms for a very long time.
Yeah,
like,
very long
even the
time.
Bronte sisters, right? So you genuinely tend to feel like really, really awful because you've lost an entire perspective, right? Like over history. And now what I'm really loving but also hating, because it's also allowing for, because this democratization of publishing is really irritating, right? Where you're literally allowing for people to self-publish, and self-publish has become such a big and such a niche thing depending on like what it is that you want to do. And because Amazon has its own self-publishing house, right? Like Crossword has its own self-publishing house, right? And it depends on the deal that you crack with them. So what if you have a story to tell, you can tell it. It's not like that's limiting you anymore, right?
Yeah,
It's
you can,
just
yeah.
about
You
how
can
you
write
sort
it
of-
in tweets if you
Yeah, but that's the thing, right? Like
और
50 Shades
कितना
of Grey
क्या
apparently was
है
written.
ना,
50 Shades of Grey was written in text
As fan
messages.
fiction.
Most of it, she was literally writing like. So if that exists, also like, have you read The God of Small Things?
Yeah.
Arundhati Roy.
Arundhati Roy.
Arundhati
Roy. So fantastic book. And Bronte, I never really liked Bronte. Like Wuthering Heights is the only thing I've read from Emily Bronte.
Oh God, Wuthering Heights.
Oh, by the way,
इतना book है.
Which is why I was like,
और
Rapid
it
Reader
got
अगर
me-
Wuthering Heights का करते तो मजा आता.
वो भी
Dude,
किया.
इतनी सी book है.
Wuthering Heights भी
यार.
किया. Rapid
वो
Reader
होता ही
में.
नहीं है.
Either you will really like this author called N.K. Jemisin.
Okay.
She's a fantasy science fiction writer. I think you'll really enjoy. Like she's won a bunch of awards recently for like the
Dude,
whatever is the equivalent of
who
the
I
science
wow.
really
fiction.
liked? You know who I really liked? I really liked Jonathan Stroud at one point. Like he had done this
Amulet of
Amulet of
Samarkand.
Samarkand and stuff. I
You
liked
know,
it.
which there's one guy who wrote that fucking what is that dragon book? Christopher Paolini was his name was. He wrote this Elder
Aragon.
Aragon.
Ah,
So Siddhi
Aragon.
really liked Aragon. Okay, then she read the sequel. Sequel also she loved it. She's like, oh fuck. By the way, Siddhi is a big science fiction fan and all that.
Hmm.
So loved the second book, and then the third book comes out. Okay, and she's like, "Isne kya kiya isme?"
Yeah, but this happens
Hota hai,
even with
hota hai.
Stroud. Even with Stroud's last book, like genuinely. But if you are like Kautuk, you should tell her to read the Illuminae series. The Illuminae series. It's fucking outstanding. dude.
हाँ चल बताता हूँ.
Okay, so obviously, guys, there's a bajillion books that they could talk about, maybe not
128
me.
million.
So we'll get
129 million books.
Baba Kautuk to compile a list of their other favorite books that they've probably not spoken about or touched upon, and then we can put that in the
नहीं
comments.
यार.
अगर आप लोग के पास कोई बुक्स है जो हमने पढ़ने चाहिए, please let us know in the comments as well. Other than that, few quick announcements. Our 100th episode, which is going to happen on Tuesday, is now going to happen on this Sunday,
Yeah.
right? Sunday 9 p.m. we are doing straight up live stream, and it's going to be a long ass 4-hour live stream.
Yeah.
So make sure you put that in your calendars. We want to see all you guys there. There's a whole bunch of fun stuff that we have planned. We're going to be playing games. Some guests are going to be coming, and we're also going to give you guys an opportunity to come on the podcast and talk with us. So how that's going to happen, what that's going to happen, if you want to find out, come on Sunday for the 100th episode of the
Before
Internet
that,
Set.
Varun, can we discuss how it'll happen?
अभी मैंने बोल दिया है, अभी ये clip अभी देख के अभी we have to figure it out. अभी बोल दिया है, एक बार बोल दिया ना तो बोल दिया.
Backwards,
No,
हम चुड़ैल की तरह काम करते हैं.
So, yeah, we've missed out. We've not done a lot of like Indian authors, blah blah blah. But like it's there. On my Instagram, you can go to my highlights and it will take you.
Yeah.
to
There will be
lot
a
of
part
stuff that
2. There will be part 2
Yeah.
of this.
There
So,
might be part
which
8 parts. It'll
Yeah,
keep
Bhavan
getting
Bhavan and I
right
will
to
do
guys.
it. Bhavan and I will do it eventually.
199th episode will be part 2 of books.
Yeah, so there is, I mean, yeah, sure. So if you want to just get a thing of what to read up till now, you can go to the World Book Day Instagram post where I've started with Aristotle and come all the way to the more recent authors. But outside of that,
If a fan
padna hai,
feels
padho.
like they want to transcribe all our podcasts into one massive book collection, you are most welcome to do so, and we will
उनके
make
पास
it.
काम
we'll
धंधा
make
नहीं है
sure
क्या?
we self-publish. We will self-publish this book.
and what will we call it? TIS, the episode.
TIS.
Oh, by the way,
TIS.
I want to give
A trilogy
credit.
in 4 parts.
I want
going
to
to,
give-
I know already know what you're going to talk about, Baba, because I wanted to ask that person for permission to use that as the title of our 100th episode. Are you
Yes.
going to talk about that?
Yes.
Yes,
So,
to whoever this Redditor is who has made it, Baba, read the
Amul
name.
Josh. Amul Josh. He's the Redditor who has made this meme, and we are definitely going to
100%.
use your name
Guaranteed.
because it is unbelievably cool, and that the next episode will be called "The Internet Said Saw."
So,
So
Saw.
unbelievable, unbelievable.
Thank you for that. Thank you for that. We already have the title and this for the 100th episode. So yeah, really excited.
I kind of feel bad कि अपन दोनों के बीच में ये पन
ये
हुआ है
नहीं
कैसे?
है, नहीं हुआ।
Shocking. And it's like it's right there.
It's
How did
right
we not
there.
get it?
It's right
So
there.
well done,
Exactly.
Amul. And see you guys on Sunday. Tada, bye bye, salam ishq.
Correct. I will
Books
put
padho.
Instagram link in the description.
अरे मैंने Kindle के बारे में तो बात ही नहीं की.
दिखा
अरे
दे
हाँ.
यार.
audiobooks, guys. Audiobooks
Audiobooks.
also good. हाँ. Insta Mojo, हमारा Insta Mojo link.
अरे हाँ, इंस्टा मोजो भी है गाइस, थोड़ा किधर इंस्टा में पैसे दो प्लीज.
रेडी नहीं है Instagram.
प्लीज पैसे दो. अच्छा तो just UPI to me at 981.
Okay, bye guys. Good night.